It's the second round.
This is the elimination round.
Set 15 minutes back on the clock. Remember, after this round, we will eliminate the first sound of the night. So pay very close attention. Lexus Supreme, you ready?
Yeah, check.
We can do a commercial.
Yeah, why not?
Friday, August 19th, inside Club Paradise will be the annual All Black Affair. That's located at 220 Atwell Drive. You understand?
Also, I seen a flyer with a clash with Kilimanjaro, Super Fresh,
And King Turbo.
and King Turbo. What day was that?
I don't know. Big about Mondays.
August
That's a
19th.
gangster thing.
Where is it, King?
Energy Kid, 26 August.
Zone 1 nightclub.
The promoters clash is 26 August inside Zone 1 nightclub.
Also remember, log on to irishandchin.com for my reviews, my 2 cents. You ready up?
Anyway, we need to get cracking.
You ready up now?
Yeah, ready.
15 minutes and counting now.
Right.
Lexus Supreme.
Yo, you saw when you have a heart of a champion. Don't not frightened. Good thing not frightened. Them thing they are just something as a soul man. When you don't play too hard, you're gonna get them inside. This pussy word from the side to say, come up and I call people Canadian flag a kerchief. Batman have no respect. That's what I said. I'm both him a replace Squingy, both him a Squingy for tonight. Not even find Squingy worst day would you ever be Squingy. You may be kind of look like him, but you will never be Squingy. You see what I said? She'd come up there and team around team sound a while ago. In case someone would never know, she'd manage Mighty Crown. You see what I said? Nobody would never know that. She'd manage Mighty Crown. So he said the boating thing will go on a little while. Alright. Uncle, one international DJ can come and mash up Toronto. You see me I said? Uncle one, none of them look cool yet. So I put on the mic and I want to hear something. Joe.
Yeah, me don't know where the clash of fire. Fucker this, you know. I'll run Nelson, a Batman, and a dirty porky thing from the Irish country. Suck the moment and still like. Think on their face fat like a girl, see no like. I like 2 chinky eye Japanese that squingy. Pussy lick out your fast teeth and even fix it back here. Desert star, me don't know word more. No desert me there. Canada is a wilderness. It's a we're wild there. Wilderness. Lexus Supreme, hear me now. Watch it up. You don't need no introduction. Leg of the tune. Me there in here. You never know me there at the clash. Yeah, me there in at the clash. Special guest. AKA Matter. Lexus Supreme, matter them now. And who first over kill? Yeah, you mean? Squingy go suck your mother. One love go fuck your father. Them Japanese they eat dog. Desert stop suck your mama. Tonight we kill the cat. Yeah. Tonight we kill. We're gonna kill the pussy. Black cat, you're a pussy. We're gonna kill the pussy. Black cat, all your sound are dead. Yeah. Alright, so that's the first verse, and you feel like you're done. Alright. We're gonna talk about some people's secret in Canada, because we know everything in Canada. Right, Supreme? Alright. King Sharp eat Tasha Rose. Sammy wear Simon clothes. Squingy sing, so grab your nose. Yeah. I said tonight we kill them rats.
John.
When them say world clash, sound boy blood splash.
Booting the fright way. Who them?
To top the alpha.
Who them?
So last year. Brimstone fire.
Booting the fright way. Toronto.
The Lexus Supreme, no fear no death, nor any form of terror. Select and dismiss the man. They'll be the
Toronto.
War some boy has to the earth. Lexus, deal with the bloody earth.
Look.
Run down and go
Look.
to
Me fi kill off the whole of them son ya. Them son ya fi dead. All who say son fi dead, say dead. Dead. John.
Stay on fire. you stupid son boy, yeah? Why you wanna come around and fuck around with Lexus?
Who them? Who them? Who them?
Extreme today, okay, yeah? Highland is in the building, yeah?
Who them?
Aye. You motherfuckers, yeah? Look up in blink, 1-5, yeah? Your stuff comes today, okay? Mark rise it up, yeah? So much jump on, no solution. Some boy juggling, it's confusion. Too much calypso, too much hip hop. Supreme, now
What
the
are
violence is. Cause
Lower,
we just won.
lower,
The champion.
lower.
We just
Lower than that. Them little dirty Italian boy. Yeah. Mussolini tried to conquer King Selassie and failed. And then them lynch him up in a blood clot Italy. So who the fuck is that pussy hole if he try to kill Rasta? John!
Go back there everywhere in the blood clot dance. Cause you have some bumbo clot batting one.
Who them?
Come in the dance hall, come clash.
Who them? Everybody got some. Everybody got some. Everybody got some. Go stop. Go stop. Go stop.
Let's go. Kill, 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 kill.
Kill, 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 kill.
Kill, 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 kill.
Lexus.
Lexus kill all those people. Kill, 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 kill.
Low. Low. We need the real bass of this year. Worman, what the fuck the next one name? Dirty Dwayne or something? Them boy they suck. Them a shit. Squingy are the real man. Mark are the real man. Them boy are some batty boy. Chud! Who them?
Lexus Supreme, splash one brain like ice cream. You see it?
Who them?
Smart, a camera ups around so war. Hey, tell you come fi war with Lexus Supreme.
No waste with time.
If you're not boss or no gun, we tell you.
No waste with time.
When you come, just walk with AK pussy and not a nine. Alright, the one
Low.
where we stop,
Low.
please.
Low. Me the backstage, lower than that. Me the backstage look a while. The whole of we have separate dressing rooms. Me see two girls walk go in a Mighty Crown dressing room, and 1 minute later them come back out. You get me? Sean!
Toronto, Canada, UK, USA,
Brand new!
Lexus Supreme, them day you say you fire and dead. Make life make fire for your top and not lit. But like fire, that is my
Blood clot! My town! And my town!
Lexus Supreme, them day you say you fire and dead. Make life make fire for your top and not lit. But like fire, that is my desire. Chica press fire in on the beat. I kept Batman day you say you fire and dead. Bullet kiss by your foot in the fly frame.
Look.
Come over muscle. When you
Look.
fight me,
Who play the most bounty killer in Toronto? Who play the most bounty killer in Toronto? Since fully loaded. Since Rootsman kill off Black Cat. And since we win last outstanding. Who play the most bounty? Bounty!
This is none other than the mighty Lexus Supreme. Mama guns moving as a team. Some guy must be living in a fucking dream. The man called Tiny, the man called Prentice.
Who play the most
Down
bounty
the
killer?
track, I show T-Line in the fucking dentist.
Big up our toddler, no mercy.
Who play the
We should
most
have
bounty
all
killer?
partner, no
Eh?
mercy. And press foot
Tell
the
them
iron.
sons that's a decent.
Mama son boy fi dead, me say make it go so then. Lexus Supreme them no care. What gun
Say,
shot
hold
them
on.
like comment to your heart and to your
Yes,
face.
sir.
But I'm
Yes,
them
sir.
fi bust in
Yes,
the
sir.
air. To every figure, hyper the trigger. Lexus Supreme a killer one and don't care. To every figure,
That mighty
hyper
crowd.
the trigger. Pop out, me can kill some
Tell them.
here. Hey, get out of here, no pain again. Don't you hold you, me lost
Joe,
you there.
Joe. Listen. Listen.
Original garment.
Listen.
What's on? Listen. I said it's all to be away from some jump and we have to kill. And those things and like us slowly drifting
Listen.
by. And I take jump
Look.
and you
Look.
home in
Look.
the grave where you
Look.
belong. So
Tell Mighty Crown one love. Black Cats and me say, turn you up.
I'm say, nothing you could do could make me run away from this glass jar. This glass jar jump on. No sound in this verse and never goes to Lexus Supreme Border. Supreme Border sing pan. I'm telling you from the start. Lexus up by the start. And we're gonna down a grung and then we rip out your one. No sound in
Hold
this
on.
verse and
Sing
never
that
goes to
part
Lexus.
for me. Sing that part for me. Sing it to me.
Murder them in a competition. I got people that want me to tell them murder them. It's a no.
Don't stop. Make we take it back. Make we take it back to party center days. Make we take it back to Rabina.
Oh, you come and tell me say you're bad and you're wicked. You check it out on our big guns to well. And
play the most bounty killer in Toronto. If Lexus say Lexus, John. Cool house.
What them want Lexus Supreme and the General Burn of us.
Bon McLeod. John.
What them want Lexus Supreme and the General Burn of us.
Lower than that. Lower than that. One Wildman friend from Jane and Finch there. When Malvern there. Where Regent Park there. Where Flemo there. Where Brampton there. Where Mississauga there. All of the man them who know said nobody can come from out of town come bad here. None of them pussy can't kill with. Set your answer. Set your answer.
Central.
Set your
Hold on. Jane and Finch, Eglinton, Mississauga. What them want? Hit it up to the band, bang, to the band, bang, to the band, bang.
Dead! Yo! Wham! No power in a CD player them. Engineer, stop the time for no power in a CD player them. No power in there. No power in there. See there?
Oh.
No.
Take it easy, Mark. Easy.
God make it. No, man make it. So it will broke down. Everything nice. Everything nice.
Yo, you want to know something? Hold on there. It says some of them on there who don't have a wristband, please. I'm not even going to curse you or nothing.
Voice check.
There's a whole heap of plugs in the back right here.
It interfere with the frequency. Security. The band that went out of wristband to free up the stage, boom.
No disrespect.
Want to free up the stage. Because see man in my ball sabotage.
Picture man, picture lady, if you watch the card them, they don't say want to get full film. We don't want people come tell me about sabotage, that that's a lame thing. The plug them.
Where's security then?
See the plug
some of the
them?
people who don't deserve for the on the stage, ease off. Because first of all, the monitor, the engineer, them can't get for situation. So.
Yeah.
See,
Yeah, come on.
and it interfere with the frequency and interrupt the band them time. That no fear. So some of the people them 5 minutes.
You must set the clock.
Give 5 seconds. We'll reset the clock sometime for it to be fair. Hold on.
Yeah.
We need to, right there so them ask for some clearance. Please, see the white tape here, so. See that. Give some clearance. Thank you.
Yeah.
Good to go.
Lexus. Relax them start flashing.
Lexus.
You know, anytime you play Garnet Silk, a trouble in here. You know that, don't?
Lexus. All right, Lexus. Time is starting now. Where's the sound, magnificent sound, the big bad sound, the tonal sound, the great magnificent sound, the original Lexus Supreme, man. Man, that sound trying test, but them want to join less. Desperado.
Everybody take out something and start waves.
Let
me get fucked up in here. Everybody take out something and start waves.
What them want? Hit it on to the bang, bang, to the bang, bang, to the bang, bang. Boss it on to the bang, bang, to the bang, bang, to the bang, bang. Break that on to the bang, bang, to the bang, bang, to the bang, bang. Boss it on to the bang, bang, to the bang. Hey, hold on, remember those in the country, we are boss around them a long one. Tell someone.
Look. Since Lexus Supreme come back on the road with DJ, come back to it. We don't want you're a next ninja man. If you don't want you're a next ninja man, push it to one up in that sky. Push it
What
up.
is this? Yeah, man, some pussy are going to big up them blood clots. But anyway, I have one thing to tell you. Basically, the same, I'm not a friend, but tonight, I get a good size money for murder your ass. Mighty Crown, only a ninja killer ninja, and we know we're all from Japan, but tonight will be a fucking assassination. Anyway, you need one love, Bob Marley alone walk with that blood clot, and you could have a big one and then kill him. So you can go back with your blood clot and one love Italy, yeah? All right. Anyway, you have one we say named War Tanker, one we named Black Cat. Well, in the blood clot cat in here, we have a bumper clot, big dog who run around and murder your pussy clot. They ain't no rat for no fucking cat. Really was specialized in killing, I'm gonna feel like.
With the blood clot!
He never know one. Hey! Man, no listen to the damn. The dead fucking jump right now. Me kill a sound in the morning, kill a sound in the evening, kill a sound at the super time, makes us supreme. Kill them when we lose, we kill them when we beat, we kill them when we feel. Find Mighty Crown, you is a dead blood clot and a dead bumper clot. The dead fucking jump right now. Me We kill us sound in the morning, kill us sound in the evening, kill us down at the super time, Lexus Supreme. Kill them when we lonely, and we kill them when we weary, and we kill them when we feeling fine. Mighty crown, you is a dead blood clot and a dead bumper clot. Dead pussy clot and a dead rasta.
Me respect Mighty Crown. Me respect Black Cat. Me respect BSR say. But I feel with bumper clot time now. Everybody will believe that. 200 a year.
Both man and sister man. Thirsty, bring me a glass of water, boy. Down the mercy.
This with no respect, disrespect.
In all aspects, I want to know who them are even. Bumper clot.
No respect, disrespect.
That's how everybody goes up.
Don't know who
Everybody
them
goes
are. We never stop. Out of mercy, how we are can them life for them to know. When sound asleep, we are patrol out all over the ocean. We'll protect them life for them to know. When sound asleep, we are patrol.
Look. Lexus Supreme come back on the road 2004. Fully Loaded was the first time we come back. And we never forget what Blood Clan DJ them when they helped him. Everybody will rate Cabra as a bad man DJ. 200 a year.
Dead you know. No, you're dead. No, well, I'm simple, so we don't let up the way back.
I tell him, fuck it.
Alexus plays sweet, you know, but we don't let up the way back. Sound boy.
Pull up. Fast start. Cabra, I feel with Blood Clan DJ. Make them know that. Capleton, I feel with DJ. Make them know that. But you get me? Lexus Supreme come for something when I left. Tune!
Unshot it like a rain. Lexus not bad enough. Daddy. Lexus a murder pussy, me say we don't get up like it don't make sense. A little pussy clean and dry. Select us some pussy out of man and gay guy. Lexus bad what them put to no gun. And sing who be creeper, who be blind. In pharmacy me gonna dead see.
Roll out!
A good over evil. Bless the people. I'm going to say, man, Alice Selassie, I crowning from there.
My town! My town!
Here comes the
My town!
Lexus Supreme.
Come on, flag them.
I'm
Pass my flag. Pass my flag. Pass my flag.
I born to be a them. Tell them. I was born in a system that doesn't give a fuck about you nor me, nor the life of their lovely kids. Damn. That's now you never know just in.
Are you ready? Ready?
Someone start till you coffin now, purchase your meat, funeral shop and look for
Look! Chin! Me no business if you not have me for one more dance. We're the wickedest thing I trying to push it up.
them can't steal supreme joy. Fireman just got chop us out.
Press on your blood clot.
Rules are rules.
That was Lexus Supreme.
Yo, ill message.
Before the clash continues.
Yeah.
We have to have some hard up on the stage. Too much patrons up on the stage, it might collapse. There's a weight capacity up here. So guess what? Some of the people in my fees are.
No disrespect. Our first one, we have to take care of it, man.
Why they clear up the stage? Let me say. Big up to Ron Nelson straight. This is history in Toronto. No matter what a man wants to say, World Clash first time in Toronto. History. All the enjoying World Clash. All who are enjoying World Clash, put up them hands. Put them down. You see, in life, people should not be ungrateful. See? This is a good thing that Ron Nelson is doing. Put all personalities aside. If it wasn't for Ron Nelson, there would be no World Clash here tonight. So here what we are doing. We honor and we respect what are going. All who send love and enjoyment, honor up there again before we bring in Mighty Crown. Yeah man, that's so exciting. Mighty Crown, 15 minutes on the clock.
Ready up. Okay, yeah man, big up. See the little boy there from Desert Storm cheerleader them. Me not afraid of them little cheerleader them thing there, yeah? Me wicked away wickeder than that. A while ago, one of them sounded from Canada tell me say, them a see two girl in my room and them a fight it. What am to this? Me see Pierre Mango in your blood clot room, me a body boy. Tell them we go suck the blood clot popper. Bumbuckler, no ramp with me. Me full of tune. Big up, Father Keith from BS Odyssey. Your ticket was booked, but why you never book the ticket for Squingy? People don't want to see you. People want to see Squingy. Bumbuckler, take Toronto people for idiot. All who agree, 219, let me see them. You see it? You see that? Blood clot. Tune under the nasty Ross.
This is Mighty Crown, the Far East ruler.
Here, tune on this. Toronto! Katanga Rasta.
Mighty Corner off his thing round town, Far East ruler down.
We loaded tonight!
Yeah, shine it, Tessa.
I found out what I've been missing, always on the run.
Lord, them son are talk about Mighty Crown there, the whole night them are talk about Mighty Crown, Mighty Crown. As if like them want fuck me to rascal. I'm gonna kill you tonight, Bumbuckler. You think you can win this clash tonight? Lego. You think you can win this clash tonight?
Jumping in the house, yeah. Don't you know?
All of them can suck them blood clot, mama. I'm full of tune. You see it? No rap with the Japanese youth. Me mad tonight. And me win Antigua World Clash last week. And tonight me I represent Canada too. What you mean? What the bad man them from Eglinton and them place there? Eh? Malvern and them Bumbuckler place there. Field and Finch. You don't know them place the base as the black and go suck on the blood clot power country. Cameraman, take that forward here.
Yeah. Someone, yeah. Shot in the valley and I never ever quit. Shot in the valley and I got.
When I say mighty, you say crown. Mighty, mighty. Oh God, I'm taking this round again, son. Lego that Junior! Come back again. Yeah, man, from.
Hush.
Canada, Toronto!
Sound, wait a minute. Before you play another job play, Harry, what can you do to stop yourself from dying?
Rick Barry someone come be with them kids fast. I'm not trying to block for that.
Like to tell you a story about what Mighty Crown can do now. Mighty Crown can do.
Don't take me
Listen
here.
up. Mighty Crown takes the dance floor now.
Pull up! Panther that Junior gone!
All that mighty crown. Oh, 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 oh. Call on a song, let's call on a song.
The one you're gone!
Defense and praise.
Canada!
Sound all off and play. When I can't kill the ninja, when I can't kill the ninja, I take on the original ninja. Yeah. Some boy go build some idiot tune to come kill the ninja.
All who say Mighty Crown take this round, say you take it already. Blackyard BS Odyssey, suck on the blood clot, Papa. You know, but like blood clot, Mighty Crown. Remember me tell you. All of them clash there. Boy, tonight coming like them babies. They coming like baby to me tonight. It's like they're taking the candy away from them post-clot baby. Canada, long time you don't come down here. All who love Mighty Crown, 2 and 9 blood clotting.
Them couldn't escape no matter how them run. But them say them have them gun. Burn them down. Mighty Crown in town.
Take me be a idiot, man.
When it's a Mighty Crown, you've been through hills and valleys. And survive out of the old gangster alley. No gunshot where we skip and dally. When they think we did that, we rally. We hold them up. Poor goes management.
Next John.
The far is ruler.
Everybody point on them, point on them.
Hey yo, one time, Sammy King,
Mighty gonna say, tell them boy look off. We ready to go murder them bumbo clap. Mighty gonna done them all the way. From New York come back to jail. Okay, east, west, south and north. We murder some boy, we don't take no talk.
Yeah man, all who enjoy work last 2 months and top this guy.
From New York come back to LA. Well, Mighty gonna preach it off the out of the
Lord. All who's glad to see the blood clot man Japanese say, yeah man. Let go that tune.
Here I come, so what I got on. So boom salute the return of a crown. Here I come and here I am. Boom salute, we come to kill champion. Hey, we never see so much people up on the nuts again. They come in through the
Lord.
up on the scene.
Lord. They boy they from Lexus Supreme. And this up through them to me in Canada. One thing me I tell them, let go that tune.
They try to diss me when I'm not around. I know you try to diss me through I'm in your sound. Knowing to yourself might not the clown.
Hey!
I know that y'all with me.
It's going down.
You try to diss me when I'm not around. I know you try to diss me through I'm in
Yo, what is sound that's so low? Pull up. Engineer. The big bad worldwide Mighty Crown are playing on Northern
Voice check 1. Check. Engineer. We have stopped the shot clock. We stopped the time clock. CMC dead stop. Engineer, give us some signal and get things up to par, please. Thank you.
Turn up the monitors.
Ready?
Turn up the levels. Yeah.
That's it. Time I run.
Okay. Mighty Crown, ready, starting time. Now.
Why? Beg you please, engineer, work with the sound thing, see? You see them blood class sound and fight Mighty Crown hard enough to me as a Japanese. Remember me tell you Canada, me can't afraid of them pussy clad. Me are the baddest when they come to clash. Remember, all who respect Mighty Crown, fist in the ear, let go that tune.
Mighty gonna put on a member.
Shabba! This is Shabba alongside Bounty Killer under them nasty rap.
Teach them post when they murder people now, Shabba. Tell them, when I know so the best when I live on the with a powder. Anything that's Mighty Crown, you know I sure murder. When I know so the best when I live on the with a powder. Them one dead.
Bounty Killer!
Mighty Crown, no care who you are. We ready to done them, no care who you are.
Full of tune. I'm gonna give it to them tonight, man. It's just the second round. I'm gonna take the second round. Wait till I drop my 50 cent. Them pussy afraid of me 50 cent. Wait till later. Pussy clad. You know what? Batman time again. Where the Batman them from? Malvern and them place again. Eglinton, lively policy, Lego.
Yo, some boy, hey, when them boy that Batman whip up. Yo, what's up, hey? Yo, when the gunman them there, we don't line up back to boy and lesbian. Yeah, you know, they come said, no. Indeed, my friend, me not joke, me not laugh. Enough time man make me some of the earth start. When we big 45 pop up, no pussy can't talk. Have me gun, you know me done, me not joke, me not play. We will shot you, from your 9-9 come DJ. Mighty Crown not like no bow cat, no batty boy neither gay. Pop off your gun this way. Pussy like down the train.
One thing, we love Canada, but one thing we no read about them legalize the Batman thing. All who no agree about that. Go down here. No fun chatting in a bomb, but bomb clock. Canada! All up in a bed. Engineer.
Engineer.
Yo, engineer, Lord, don't play no more, don't play no more. Lord Clark, this engineer, something I'm going to mash me up. Cameraman, move your ass, Clark. Cameraman, come out of the way. You in my blood clot way, come out. Come round here, sir. Oh, now can't see me live in Canada. Yo, Lexus Supreme, Desert Storm. Desert Storm, first of all, there's no desert in fucking Canada, yeah? Even if you name Winter Storm or one of the things there. All of it come back strong. And Blood Clot. Hold on, Canada, say come in, don't talk it. Hold on, man. And one love big up from Italy, but goodbye. Nobody now compare you with Mighty Crown no more, you know that. And basically, I mean the fake Odyssey. And Pink Panty, you know, stop fucking blood clot, goat and fucking cow country. Everybody, they Lego!
Me not care if them come from Far East or West Coast, them play the bunch on the most. Pass all for all this and Mighty Crown. Yo! Well, Mighty Crown of this is everybody dead. We try to only piece of white house in our head. We just decide to rob out from head out to send. Anybody test the Mighty Crown, we dead. We no business, if all of them can't say some boy go back and the fan go plan.
Oh, man, that's not up. Hear the party, you know what this Pink Panther about?
Man, you know, Panther that I can't dump the fat pussy hole. I wear the real thing, but him I wash over gold.
Jackson!
Well, me don't know you're afraid of the top on this one. And I said something can go back on this one. So me and
Oh, fuck, lad, I'm a fight Mighty Crown, Rasta, low, play me low. Boy, me not tell you now, if Squingy did that, we would have get some wicked fight tonight. The true Squingy that they are worm under the fucking earth going worm. And another way named Dwayne, oh what a shame. Well, I'm gonna suck on the blood clot, Papa. You see, worm, you don't want it right now. And as a matter of fact, Lexus Supreme, you feel named Taco Supreme right round the blood clot mall there. Lego, everybody there! Nobody don't call you blood clot name. You're not sure now.
Check this. Nobody's calling your name.
nobody know them
You
pumpkin.
care about the guns that you play.
See them forward there, pussy!
So that is just a part of life's game.
All who agree the Mighty Crown take this from 2 under here!
Mighty Crown.
Son boy, you can't always test Mighty Crown. We'll just you and keep
Low,
you.
play me low. We have a new name for them blood clot boy them. Them is not a male, then we are call them boy the she-male rascal.
And kick you down.
Pass your own son, but we never hear about you. We still look here
Boy,
about you.
take it out! Next tune! Final tune. Blood clot, pure fucking idiot, so me a war with you know. Oh God, I need some competition. Yo, Irish and shit big up, but make sure your blood clot brings Squingy next time. You agree, right? Straight. Now take Toronto people, the idiot. Black Cat, wanna do your little begging thing all the while. Toronto, me and them bodies. Oh God, the only bad run of Manchester. Final entry.
It's the Mighty Crown, but tell them it's a big bad Mighty sound. But you see them sound boy over there, son. You see that sound there? Check, that,
Idiot, so that.
I murder, Mighty Crown, I murder them. Check, that.
All who agree with them are idiots, so go down here.
Time.
Oh, time. I'm gonna kill him in a 4th round.
Time.
Hold on, Chip. You see that clock here? You see that clock here? Yo, beg on, please. Please. You guys can call me an asshole later. Please. Beg you, man. This area right here, the soundman them can't see the clock. Okay? The crowd, can you see the clock when these guys are standing there? Okay. I'm a one little job, yeah? Press up, yeah. Come on. I'm a one little job, big yeah.
Mighty. That was the mighty crown.
Next zone up. 15 minutes on the clock. One love.
Here's Toronto. Look like the real war just start. True. So true, the real war just start. Make it started.
Jesus Christ. Italia, Lord.
Yeah, man, over there we are come from again.
Ramadan money used to play it so. And killing that sound, and that is what I
Yeah, tonight in Toronto.
And kill them in the west.
I want my son to go dead. 5 of them are dead.
Lord of mercy.
All right, Ricky.
Yes, you burn them.
Acho.
You're a for them.
So do you mix it?
Run away! Any somewhere, please. Kill them jump and we don't care my name.
I saw you go tonight, Toronto. The all of them are go dead, the mighty ground.
You can hear it in my accent, boys and girls.
Yeah, man, I saw you go.
I'm the Italian man in this world.
All right.
See, we killing them in this class.
Look. Everybody play them bounty killer. We never touch bounty yet. Lucho, squeeze it bounty.
Well, murder them blood clot. Tell them that one your name blood bar.
We never touch bounty killer yet. I pull up on you tonight.
The girl them say some boy make
all right, killer.
Tell them say move and make we go crash.
Well,
some boy fi dey call one love fast. Tell them if I worry not go run lost. Tell them a bad man not them this dude.
Low.
Me boat what up?
Low. You see a second round. They have to kill somebody now before it's get too late. They might get used to stay alive in this clash. We have to kill somebody now. Somebody get too close to that late. Listen to tune. Listen to tune. I saw you go Toronto.
You know what? Hey. One love, I will kill them now.
Before it's getting late.
And a lot of some yes, they want to play with it. But tell the sound to wait.
Low.
And the reason
What me say? Toronto, the real war just start. Hey, Selecta, Lego the murderation time.
one love sound, out a national sound. God bless the sound.
Big old time.
Oh, Rasta people get around.
Toronto.
Lord is on his road. Can I today you can't
Oh, Buckler, hey.
Hey, one love by power. Them shoulda know check it out. One love city, one love city, one love town. Them can't turn it in an alcohol.
I saw you go, big Reggie.
When I look and know, one love city, one love town. Them can't turn it in an dead man town.
I saw we do it.
Well, Mr. Junker, Joker, and then Brown. We know on them.
Somebody say I can't play down a feed them artists.
Mr. Happy got so lucky.
You don't know.
Happy out. We know on no more dead body. Well, Mr. Joe kill quick. We don't want no more.
Everybody come a clash. We listen to some war rhythm. Give me gun on the ear. Gun on the ear. Lego.
And I said, la 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 la, one love by power. La 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 la,
Bumbo Wadenia.
La 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 la, them get dead and
Yeah, man, that's how it go.
La 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 la, when I run for kill selector. One love, shut up the area. Wipe on the war patch and them we come and look for me and me.
That's how it go, do so. Who next? Who next?
Anyway, so me go so show me uno all original then your thing sound man where one lover say show me uno
struggle still. Whenever there's
I saw it go low. When did Batman get there? When did Toronto Batman?
I love all of the gun them. Keep them shine and crisp. A couple shot will be carrying out a gun. Make a
Bomba clap pussy dead.
Lord, shoot to kill her. We no shoot and miss. But I bust up under mid-stop. One love, shoot to kill her. We no shoot and miss. But I bust up under mid-stop.
Let go. All right. Bounce your feet them artists. Hey, can't let them feed them artists.
When I do we have the man forward, but you know we not gonna move backward. You know we not gonna get upward. What? When I do we have the man forward, you know we not gonna move backward. You know we not gonna get upward.
All right, low. And you see, tonight, somebody will come and say, our Japanese white man, them a fight against Ethiopia. What them a talk about? And me, as the first man in Italy, I fight the fascists. Alright? And me, as the first man in Italy. Tell me why now, tell me why them a fight with. Hey!
Well, Emmanuel I King Selassie. One love. Tell me why.
Them no love is see we prosper.
Them who don't love is disaster.
Well, Lampa. Lampa. Somebody talk about we, no Rasta. Why you think Rasta is just up the dreadlocks? Lampa, tell them some.
What the name again?
Me don't know.
What the name again? The Canadian bridge in them. Yeah? The dreadlocks. If I come say, it's supposed to promote Rasta, don't it? Not this Rasta, don't it? Or if I come and say, yo, Italian go to Mussolini. Yo, Mussolini, Italian people, hang him up. Piazzale Loreto, Milano. This is history. We fight fascists. I know fascists alone, we are fight. Also the Pope. You think say, because me I come from Rome, me I born to Pope? No, sir. I know psycho. And you know why? Listen. In my dreadlocks, you know, promote Rasta artists. 1, 2. Yo, dash shredder. Hold on. Again, where me come from? Concrete jungle me grow. Yo, give me me blood clot anthem right now. Ducho, give me me blood clot anthem. I know only my anthem. This is an anthem for all the people who burn corruption. You see it? This is an anthem for all of the people who burn blood clean corruption anywhere in the world you come from.
Look, you don't know one love I power with us.
My personal artist, his name Anthony Bloodclot B. Listen this, where the fire there? Where the Rastafire there? Roma me come from. Listen.
Don't get weary.
Roma me come from. Watch this.
Oh, still under mental slavery. So one love I power chant fire for Rome. People fall on them scissors and comb. Black people want home. I'm Mount Zion and they want. Hey, one love we are tell them fire for Rome. People fall on them scissors and comb. Black people want home.
Yeah,
that's
true. You know why we are strong in a room? We're up on the front line, you know. Me not go drop it. Me are strong like a lion.
Hey, people, wake up.
Yo, Toronto!
One love to the world. Playing music, killing sound, boys. Yeah, but all of my people and all of my tongues
Yo, time for kill some song now. Not true. You don't want to hear some song for dead? Eh? Lego me Phantom Mojo.
Praise to the most high Emperor Haile Selassie. This is Phantom Mojo.
Brand new tune, people. A big bag of tunes that I play. Then I play reggae music. I want to them. You think Banky alone with a dance?
Give thanks and praise. No, no, no.
Why I say Phantom?
Oh, God bless you along that way. You have to give thanks and praise. Only God bless one love through in days.
Yo, don't say.
You don't listen to what they say.
Give me a no, I know. Give me a no tune. No tune, we don't want to listen no tune.
So again, me tell them to see your person everything.
Yo, that's sure that. Richie Spice for Ono. Brand new tune. I think it's the season.
Alright, what's up? I'm ready for them now.
Yeah, man.
Ready like ribbon. Burning flames, burning flames. Just chop off the night now, one love. When I tell you that sound clash is getting critical.
Critical.
I don't want you to worry.
New tune, people. You spend money for Ono.
Only that same old champion trying to run things to the back. But if you think that one love sounds sleeping, then you better think right.
Alright. Everybody I play perfect. Perfect is my artist. And me boss it, you know. And me press the records we press. Me press it, you know. And me distribute them. Perfect. And my artist. Me not left you out. 1 year perfect, I kill the whole of them. You don't want to listen perfect, I kill the whole of them. Let go be perfect.
Ross mind up with they again for murder them John Chocolate, man. Mighty come smell like dog shit. The whole of them smell like a drunk vomit. Them smell like... Yo, blessed man, them coming like some school toilets. I want them one up. Slew them.
Yo, Toronto! Listen this. A brand new tune too. In a Toronto tonight. Yo, baby, you think Kaiser can dance? How you mean? He can make you have your baby too, you know. Yeah, man. Italian Jamaican big combination. Remember me told you. Yo, One Love is a Rasta man sound, you know. Me beg you them bad, but them a Rasta in a heart. You know that. Yo, play me Rasta.
Show what you say. Luke, what you say. Peter, what you say. Mama, what you say.
Morgan Heritage, what you
This is
say.
the champion sound. One love I pop up at the ground. Yeah, just no one like this one. Yeah. Sound in a this class. You know the rebels. Start up the revolution. No one in trouble. Hail of the champion. Hail of the lion.
Yo, Clara.
Hail of the lion. One love I pop up killer sound in a this class. Them a rebel.
Yeah.
Start up the revolution. No one in trouble. Hail of the champion. Hail of the lion.
Hail of the lion.
All prophecies have been fulfilled. Rastafari have done bust the seas. When you ride the over land and seas, the old, the iron, gold and green rainbow.
Let me tell you this. Everybody come on the stage. Ain't nobody bless and help the ganja man in Toronto. Everybody has smoke ganja. Give me 2 in the air. Give me 2 in the air. You know why Squinchy never come in here? You know why Squinchy never come in here? Them a make him come in because he's a crackhead. A crack him a smoke. We are real ganja man. We are real ganja man.
Yeah, don't think I'm fucking joking. We not take no coke, not take no coke. We not praise the book. Come over, cut.
Somebody said prophet.
Yo, Caesar. All right. Orthodox light up the chalice when we burn down road.
Boom,
a big watch and go part to form. Green a lows a bell all a week on gold. But thunderball again. One love shake the shaker and make we shake down room. A big watch and go part to form. Green a lows a bell all a weep and moan. One thunderball again. One love chant and I been get we chant down room. A big watch and go part to form.
Stop. Next song.
Put 15 on the clock.
That was one love.
15 minutes on the clock. From way out in the country.
Alright. We don't know what this is going on from night. Everybody come here. Squingy, squingy, squingy. Squingy is not here. Squingy is Germany. Yeah, man, Squingy they are France. Them are far east to them the pan. But we are the replacement killer. You know what though? Mataran the pan, Squingy, squingy. When him, Sammy and Simon, Squingy, squingy. We don't know why Mataran can't go back to New York. Them catch him on the shiny boy, them a fuck, so them take my visa. All those are Batman for that gold and the blood clot, you know.
Yes, sir, this is the sound. Real sound. We control the session. Sound of the left, left, right, and center. Starting to you.
What's up?
Sammy Tifo, Mataran over Japan. And the jealousy, it nearly killed Simon. Yo, the whole of them a fight.
Turn it on. Oh, you know what I say? There's a stamp. I talk about that. A word them said. You know what I'm going to send? We're going to send a couple right up in the desert stamp for my pussy. I know say true. God on the blood clot. You ever see you go on right now?
It's the greatest.
Let's all play a bad man show.
Tennessee.
Anybody play a BSS bad?
Mighty crown, don't put your hat where you can't reach it. It doesn't make no sense.
What on? Turn it up. Turn it up. All them have over me. And them big name, Pink Panther, Sammy and Sai. All them have over me a name. Them not bother me a blood clot. All you know say them not bother me. 200 blood clot here. 200 blood clot here. Them not bother me.
Whoa.
And then we can't take the bloom bloom, ratatata blam blam. This a this sig white.
Hold on. Yeah, all them the pan family squingy do not love man. All them man like that, so don't say don't love no man. No man fuck you now, fuck the man. 200 blood clot you. Here.
Yes, man, rough sound, man. Bass of this, man. A boy dead now. Watch this. Kill it. From paralyzed, man. We kill them now. Whoa, we kill them now. Bass of this now. Whoa, we kill them now. That lead up in the corner. They see you run the border. We kill them now. Whoa, we kill them now.
Someone make man fuck them one time. I say them now, but no one fuck them again. I do not fuck no man now fuck you. You know, make them mistake. Yo, pussy, one eye.
On a tip on someone. Oh, yeah. Listen. The Lord is grace and is in life and salvation. Tell me whom shall the kings of fear? No sound, and we're not in pants.
The boy will come out here, Rasta boy, the bumbo clan Rasta boy. Will come out and go rough up in a turn up. The boy will come out and go rough up in a Canada flag. And I talk about me and this flag. Hold on. Every Rasta in a dance, put your hand in here. Everybody, put your blood clot on in here. Rasta can't represent Canada, blood clot, turn up that blood clot.
everything in your head. Yes, I did. Canada world clash, and the sound them get crash. Aye, and sing say, tonight a Canada mighty crown and get murder, murder. All you desert stop, nobody never heard of. One of sound in your blood, you mind John. Lexus Supreme, don't stop get come down. Big Panther, from we kill you up here when you carry it far. This a this is a killer, yeah. Forever and ever.
All who say BSS are bad sounds are bad. All who rate BSS are no matter who up here BSS are rate BSS. Cause a bad one. Play that. No matter who up here BSS are bad bomb class sound. Them are the squingy and none of them in a squingy class. All who believe me, I know say through me attack. One of the blood class here. One here. One. Put them in here. What is the name here? Know yourself. Everything nice. How we name BSS? Some boy on have start. Them now no blood clot finish. And we have the tune them run. Remember me I tell you now. Play that tune you. Play that tune. And we have the tune them run here. All them have is start. Where's the see the thing about function? See the thing about function. Play the tune. Play the tune.
Fam, you never fuck about it. Fire burn, fire burn, fire burn. Me want to hear gunshot in the ear now. Here now, here now. Fam, you never suck a pussy. Fire burn, fire burn, fire burn. Me want to hear gunshot in the ear now. Here now, here now. Me say that's it from you know. In a body man, and you know about.
All over us, we have something here, so everybody, we have something here. We have something here, so we have blood clot here, so we have something here, so everybody jump.
Yeah. Yes, I see no cry for call, but he real jump call, but he rise one tall shot till he kill Batman. With the woman tall, cocky them real and ball papi.
Everybody with a purchase, they go to purchase. No, if you have a take off your hat, if you have a run, we have something here. Jump out here, jump. Everybody jump out here, jump.
Run square.
Someone start killing someone last week. Where's
we are killed from desert clocks and diamond socks. We are killed from one pop and coming back. Some bits bring a make switch shot. We are killed from before my man start lock. Before mama and start back. We are killed from long before that. Before I'm a winter and another one. We are killed from before the Italy start dash.
All them boy. As we said before, all them however me is them big blood clot name. All of them afraid of people. Put some one on the blood clot here. Everybody who knows you're afraid of people. Over there, so. You know, you run them back. Over here, so.
Winchell.
Run up.
Pamela Winchell.
Put it on there, so. Push up.
And I'll ride it like mountain bike. Past the limit and block west of light. Say you want me perform at all you get feel tight. What a same thing in a sound flash tonight. Me don't wanna connect. Shaki Pamela is dead. Can't change you. Take where you forget. You want to don't know nothing from the internet.
Stop. I don't know what's this one going on dance. The white boy them. Two of them are for work. When they pass 12 o'clock of hungry and they go out them blood clots. The shiny boy them wheat the rocks. Two of them are for work, see me. All who proud of them blackness, all the black people, which are two of them blood clots. All who come from Jamaica, Toronto, me carry on maybe. Put your hand here.
See me something in crime in the BSLC. Anyone else who feel like he's a code.
Them not Chinese and no about karate. They make them tell you no blood clots. Them no nothing about karate. Watch one of Chinese show, listen, none of them is there. All who never see me a Simon and karate show, put your hand here. Put your hand here. We never see a karate show. Simon!
The boy can't treat me. You're mad. Touch me if you're bad. Remember say you're no God. Touch me if you're bad. You ever feel a lizard? Touch me if you're bad. When you say you're Taliban child, well, yes, I see boom up Baghdad. Touch me if you're bad. Skinny, never forward. Touch me if you're bad. And if one boy try get mad and tall up right. Hey, no send up. Pussy touch a button. Send head no big up. Chest plate up. Cap onto your skin like season to mutton. When worm them a kill you fat. What a dozen.
When I hear fantasy in my war tanker, when I watch one blood clot grenade in a war tanker, all who want to grenade in our war tank? Just so. Grenade in the war tank.
Here's how you see. What we specialize in, you and me. K-I-L-L-I-N-G. In a sound boy for free or a fee. K-I-L-L-I-N-G. Skinny. The boy go bow. The wicked E. K-I-L-L-I-N-G. Just rise up a G-U-N. Then worm. Rise up B-O-M-B. Hey, the first time cover. But in a hand. I look like melt up. The pussy was came. One plate like.
The Rasta will come up here. Reggae music. Put himself in lock up for disgrace the reggae music, man. Or don't go to prison, man. Make Batman sleep down on lock. All who said Batman to sleep down, the Rasta man will lost. Put your hand here.
K-I-L-L-I-N-G.
Rasta boy.
K-I-L-L-I-N-G. Them boy, they bow down, you wicked E. K-I-L-L-I-N-G. Squingy. Just rise up a G-U.
Stop. Stop. You don't know who are BSS artists? No, man, hold on. All who know who are BSS artists, call them name. Me not there here, man. Call the Lord of that. Who are BSS artists? All who are born to Sabonte. All who are here Sabonte, I know say a bad man is here. Go on the blood clot here. Go on the blood clot here.
Based on this, road to the country. God mercy. Yeah, I'm gonna send big men like Triton, we can make just like that. Mama gonna make no riot. God mercy. We can make from pineapple race. Gonna make us in the sea.
You're a particular. What you going on now? You're a particular, yo.
So now go dead. Tell him don't give me no argument. Kill me come to kill baby. So it's no text statement. Oh, you go dead. Tell him don't give me no argument. Kill me come to kill. Cut out the long time friends. Yes, that man for a long time. Always experience for the people and walk.
Turn it up, turn it up. All those BSS must kill off the one on blood clots. What a bad man for you. Put your gun on now, you know. Put your gun on now, you know.
Pull. Never know who they run come this. I chat about them 9 well crew and Chris. This a this we no fear no song. Man a bad man song. Certain sound I hype up and I send dead trade. But none of them no know cause them no find out yet. Man a bad man song. Reaching out they want to shine. Lock them away where the sun don't shine. Now they crying, now they begging for the lives sake. Them this way you know, them realize we take things cool.
Me a say, that's just sound. Mighty come from Japan. Me a say them daddy a Batman. All who can swear upon the Bible say daddy a no Batman. Put it one here.
Tying up some men who we do not be friends with. Let me hear some boy I do. Set them up in war with the bass and the crow. Them got this man from the valley garden, we man jungle. Mop your pat man, them not pet no boy. I am not afraid. Tell them to start the war. I am not afraid. Don't a little stone boy.
We can bust it gun if we want to. Big up all of my Toronto friend them. The one that Canada, my Jamaican friend them. No matter where you come from. How many? Or the blood clot. Hey, yeah, some boy, you know. Make them get a beat them. Like the boy them from. Where's son them? Where's son from Italy them? Them girl always a beat them. When the bad man was no blood clot girl, nobody can beat you. Go on. Go out in there.
I mean, also big up yourself. You go to school and learn. Big yourself for it. Yeah. Stay so squingy and dumb no.
What I'm saying, sister?
Big up yourself for the skinny and dumb no and they give you a fight off a win. Yo! Here come the musical sound called by so this.
I don't know what's this is.
Courtesy, yeah.
We're not playing a one round up on the way enough Jones.
Yeah.
Bad man,
black people strength. Anyway. Youngster none left them guns, so we run it. Any boy this the bottom, we go on it. None of my girls, them no bout up the money. Now bar with no boy from them money. Batman none left them guns, so we run it. Any boy this beer, so this we go on it. None of
the one mighty girl I talk about a worm, them say. You see the boy from mighty girl, tell them.
I shot them, not shot, but tell them fling wet. I shot them, but shot them, I see them, so we say. Flop them, I try, flop me, I
enough day down. Up on the top base of the sea one play.
Stop. Stop, man. Enough tune there. What if I tune a win and bass of this? When you go and dance, you amount of blood clot tune and play. If ever somebody out there don't come play bass is bad. All of us in bass is bad, so yes. Bad to blood clot, watch out.
Yeah, man, a phantom no jar different to a bass and this is sound, you know.
Some here Simon.
Bass is who the war.
Some here Simon.
Sound here different.
This is Storm.
Jamaica.
Black Cat.
What a war.
One love.
Yeah, man. A phantom no jar. The bass and this is sound.
But you not fight over room.
Son boy, your mama hungry, your papa hungry, your brother hungry, your sister hungry. We are keep your son alive, and you can't put up no light. Son boy, your mama hungry.
I don't come for that. Oh, turn it up. Turn it up. I don't come and dance here some bad blood clot. So put your gun on the blood clot. Go on now, yeah, go on.
Yes, I this way I got keep that little sound when the rain comes from.
Sure.
Yes, I this way I keep that little sound when the sun comes down. Yes, I this way now I keep that.
No matter how sound pass through Jamaica, we not let them Toronto. It's a time up.
Voice check. Yes, that was based on the scene. 15 minutes on the clock.
Next song to play. Second round. Final song in the second round. 4-time reigning world champion. You ready?
If we're ready, motherfucker. Yo, Toronto, let's see what I want. If I'm really listen up here, then song come. Yo, word they play back that tune that one. You're gonna get blood clot there. Squeezing with us back off their ears. Michael, you play back one. I mean, you only blood clot, man, I repeat. I'm the war tanker. Run that! I don't think so.
Something's not to be.
What are the party on the prophet? Shin. Yeah, just price blood clot 50 cent them. We know the youth under them. You give me the counter Russian, you fuck. Who find out? Who find out, Shin? I don't tell you splice the blood clot business. I got splice out with your mama pussy. Take that through ya. Take that through ya. Here's blood clot. Listen, run that. And the biggest soul of our clashes now. We have a ransom. World clash. Yo. Ah.
She goes down
to the bed. Blood clot. Surgeon and dead.
Missing now. Where it's gone.
And my partner come here to hold on. Fireman clean, sing a patter.
Missing now.
So as they know it, blood clot.
It's just another day for black and sunny.
Who don't want your hair? Again. All the way in the spot I tune. All the way black cat from the 90s. 2 of year. 2 of year. Shine light. Go
You think about
it.
In the name. In the name of the Lord, black cat, look it.
The blood clot dead. Who do I belong there now? Say yes. Lock off them blood clot here from top.
This is the wicked everlasting.
King Sharp, you're dead.
In the world.
Nobody in the friend of room, we have it on hand. Black cat don't need some with CIA. Love the station, learn foundation, we suspect all.
If you're the party man, jump up.
We know. Stop! This is us a 45, not a net.
Bushman sir. I want to come out to the song to teach you truths and reality.
Anybody on the 20 year like God?
Have mercy, way. Rise me up this morning. Thanks to see the rising sun.
Panta, when it's up,
even when it's done, yeah, live another song, boy. time is superiors. Some boys are superiors.
If you can't answer, you're beard. Who remember the one, yeah? Who remember the one, yeah? Who remember the one, yeah? Who remember the one, yeah?
Some song who are long to your mouth.
Try your beard.
Whenever your hands up, cause some sound I got dead now. Bust up the middle like some pop show. Fucking in a life where we sure about. Pantana fuck nobody.
Say the biggest forward though. If you're sure, son, no man ever went for your body here, the man them to be 200 years.
Fucking in a life when we sure about.
Yeah, but
when we have one party, why we not beat and say sorry?
Bombo clutching. What am I saying? I don't teeth the first round. I don't teeth the round. I don't teeth it. But you know what? I just want to perform good for people. Because I love when they love me. Me a different country. I'm a different Jamaica. Desert Star. Change the name there. One day one star when you're Jamaica, the one without their friend. We don't hear nothing but a blood clot storm. The people that don't live now in the loneliness right now. There's a panther, cheer away up and carry down something for you. The hurricane missing by a blood clot teeth. Run that!
Smash up to the time of blood clot. You know how one never do anything.
I'm down on a blood clot. I carry that panther. They're the boss!
Smash up to the time. You don't know say.
I read panther also. When I play back to my tune, stop in a moment.
Smash up to the time.
I don't see a word class. Close up.
Smash up to the time.
Close up. Come here, Miller man. Watch out!
Hey! The war not done till the one of them dead. Mac 90 rifle, plus half them head.
So we don't tell them, say them brother don't like the River Nile, you know.
Different blood cartel.
Yeah,
different cartel.
Yeah, wait for me.
I you see that cat? Panther a real bad man. We bust fiberglass and blue steel bad man. Them big little youths so them a be a big bad.
Different cartels. You want more cartels? Say yes. Say yes.
Yeah, a fever or black cat. Hey, you see black cat? Woman, then fly move for rap, woman. What's my name, woman? Fly for rap. You
want more cartels? Say yes. Blood clots.
Give me a sense of the night.
Give me a pass.
Let
me the phone show.
One of out further, and the pussy them a ball murder. Black don't bright out them face like murder. Assassinate you, them a big baby herba. Magnum shot and go.
Stop. Panther go on good, alright? The youths in there may go blood clot, but I just show 200 here. Oh, you mean? This tune, Friday night, this is somebody band up. Me just start. Blood clot. China man, watch your song there, in person. Hear this.
There's a Pink Panther, you don't know what's your lad every time. Hold on, my girl, don't you know what I
I'm the recording from Bass and the Mighty Clown. You know, some phone on the
well, some boy, I got ready now. Because the approach you got them secret. Pink Panther, I want to get them post to one soundboard, man. Sure, from if you mighty code them a play tune. The Japanese boy, they are regular. You feel hear some things when you hear Squingy, promise you you do. Pana Cellular, we hear from Angela.
Squingy 77, I'm pocket America, and then stop my friend Eric.
Voila, them to get the very top. Don't shot them with quietness. And I feel so black and up.
Them people say, yo,
blood clot, come here, close up, close up.
Big war,
and it's a war. Now the most blood clot show. Yeah, I'm about to wave.
We don't read that. But the thing them boy they come on. We don't read that. Tell a piece in them boy they show. We don't read that. Straight man make me see you on phone. Them boy they are the man that gal. We don't read that. Tonight I be them fit around. We don't read that. All shot make me see a signal. We don't read that. In a boat back to make it official. Who the bird like Samson. You not try to eat like Charles Bronson. We was the man on the car of the split and the racing. The Ruger and the Damson.
Shit, me a lead. Hold on, no playing tape, just hold it right here in. Then cost me more work cash already. Show me a 5 trophy and bad mind me. So me say assassin. Do a blood clot show to represent Panther. They never get bad mind. We're going to get show, no. You find it out? Lost it. In second. What do you want? In that done, come here, man. That found a big guy with blood clot body. Shine light. You ready? Push it up now.
I don't just see it. I don't believe in the one.
I don't believe it. Yeah, Panther.
So yeah, so it's a great way.
We up.
I'm here from that country. Every day. Oh, no. Eh? I said, no one about it.
Yes, I see your name.
Fuck up.
Slide to go to jail.
Here I'm black cat. Them don't like you. Just because you win for a clash. Someone in a one clash and pop up. See the lap back in the back.
Blood clot, you know. Dead.
Alright. That was about champion. I was on one champion as Black Cat.
Hey, Desert, you're going over there.
It's a Panther. I will run on
One love, goodbye.
I don't just
we have something for me on base of this year. I'm not going to fix them on it. Because them 50 cents, they're going to fix up.
So yeah, so it's a great way. I'm here to come Black Cat with you. Every day. Go on, Jella. Eh? I said, no one of us. Yeah, we want to know what that champion. Fuck up. You want to know? Here I'm Black Cat. Them don't like you. Just because you win for a clash. Someone win a one clash and pop up. See the Panther, still the Panther. Black Cat. Them don't like you. Just because you win for a clash. Someone win a one clash and pop up. And our Black Cat, still the Panther.
Stop. But I don't want to say that, big man. Me and the only selector coming to work clash and play back no tune. I'm going to get no boo. So who win the blood clot clash? Motherfucker. Me no business and them want get the trophy. Me want to say honorary Panther. Them a get bad mind. Bust no tune.
Some say them a try fight against Black Cat, but watch it now. They say who got this? No one curse. Panther,
I don't want the trophy go to Jamaica 20 years.
Kick it off.
20 years.
Poor people material. Yeah. Easy, you say. Yeah, a Black Cat situation. Hold on now. Yo.
Hold on.
Black Cat. You tell them. Why they don't care about us? What fantasy? Why?
That's why they bless the people of Toronto. You don't have to jump up for everyone.
Yo, don't really get how we spend most of our life. When living is a stress so hard to survive. But I have to stay alive. Face the world no matter I feel a sound boy and not that.
Love me, I run left Black Cat. We dead for the blood clot. But the cut one shoe when we used to kill them appear one. When they hear the word that's going to appear one, no. Then this Panther buckle and gunshot tell you like rain. One back about 7 man blood clot in. Arching up on ambulance. When liquor take your blood clot. Hear this.
Na Black Cat kill them again. Hey. The clash get bloody. Panther just bust down Mataran and him just done Freddy Mighty come get bummy. Who will kill man?
Blood clot, youth. Possible, no. What?
I'm gonna tell you so when I'm done setting on some I say I want a special design and I will over.
Where do I find one? Come on.
Boy. Panther, Black Cat, I tell them so play.
Shit.
What of them?
You get serious?
Well, kick it up.
I have something to use to do 50 cents, then you give me some truth.
I'm gonna tell them some Black Cat.
Fuck.
Na Black Cat kill them again.
You know say Butcher and Silver restaurant, no? A Butcher and Cruiser, no?
Bloody.
You ever put that sugar out and I will put that my word.
Ban and him just done Freddy Mighty come get bummy. We kill one brother Swingy and the one base of the sea. And them same one a feel it. Some boys you better believe it.
You hear my part?
If you want a son, the body tell them out that tonight them a go feel it.
We are gonna kill them. I put that George Bush on me.
Solid road.
Voice check 1.
Voice check 1.
Wow.
Bring the next microphone. Voting time.
Voting time.
Voice check. Yeah, man. Let's see what I go on now.
Somebody have on them darkers.
Anytime the glasses come out, sound lower, dead. You understand?
I'm asking the person who is operating the lighting system to put some lights in the audience, please. It's all about voting. I want to be very accurate.
One sound down in this room.
I hear some allegations, so we need to be very accurate. We have to find out who will jump out in this round. Then we will find out who will win this round. And then we'll move on to the next round, okay? So by a show of hands and not noise, should Desert Storm drop out of this round? By a show of hands and not noise, should Lexus Supreme drop out of this round? By a show of hands and not noise, should Mighty Crown drop out of this round? By a show of hands and not noise, should One Love drop out of this round?
Thank you.
By a show of hands and not noise, should Bass Allison drop out of this round? By a show of hands and not noise, should Black Cat drop out of this round? So we all agree that One Love will drop out of the second round.
Thank you very much. Yo, Massive, when you want of a round of applause, you understand? They make effort. Unfortunately, anytime my glasses jump out, sound dead. There's no two ways about it. This next round, 2 sound dancing.
Big up One Love. Trust me. We're getting to that. Big up One Love. It's not easy for a sound that is not a Jamaican sound make it into the business. So for the first time in Canada, please give One Love a round of applause for coming to Canada. This is history. We're dealing with sportsmanship. All right. By a show of hands and not noise, did Desert Storm win the second round? Put them down. By a show of hands and not noise, did Lexus Supreme win the second round? Put them down. By a show of hands and not noise, did Mighty Crown win the second round? Put them down. By a show of hands and not noise, did Bass Allison win the second round? Put them down. By a show of hands and not noise, did Black Cat win the second round? Father, you call him, because I don't want them to say they make wrong judgment.
No man, no conspiracy theory. Round 2 just went to Mighty Crown. Give them a round of applause. How will I judge? I want to pay the money coming in, so anybody will say go through and then go through.
We just think I work for the item, you see. This next round will be a 2-song elimination.
2 sound gone.
It will be 10 minutes. And each song will have to play vocal tunes only.
Not sing J tune.
Again, no Sizzla Kalonji. Won't make sure me and all them on the same level. No Sizzla Kalonji.
One to Buju Banton.
No Buju. No Kiamatan. No Bounty Killer. This round is to show how much tune and sound system have in their box. You understand?
So
all
they
right.
might play like Lucian and them kind of artists.
Lucian,
Mikey General, Berries.
Ray.
Okay.
All right.
Sanchez.
Any song that plays a DJ tune will be automatically eliminated from this round. You understand? 10 minutes on the clock.
First sound up.
There's a sound.
Bamba Clan, time for dead again. Boy, for dead now. World clash again. Jail and things, call you. No matter where you come from. Me not got nowhere. The trophy are stay here, we are stay here. I know what? All who knows when they go up tonight, you see people like Canada, put your hand on the ear to blood clot. Some boy talk about Jamaica, Italy, Rome. Hey, one love dead also body like the Pope look wild. But I don't know where I go. Nice try. Mighty Crown, I'm here in the morning. Black Cat gone home. BS is gone home, and me and my story on the blood clot morning. See it up here. See that killing there. All of them, they gun on, road clash, gun on. All of them, they gun on, Starro, we are on. Road clash, get him. Amen. Pull up. Well. Mighty God, tell her one another suck your warring woman. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Just a mighty content. Mighty God, suck them up and I want to tell you. All of the mighty God, they're gun on. The more them get it. And the more them want it. Hey, you see that one now? The exit there, sir. Let me pack up them blood clot and come out, you know. Back them a big go.
Well, desert star. Veteran like me.
All of the desert star, gun on. Road clash, gun on. Toronto, tell me.
Where can I find?
All who say the trophy are stay here, so. When I say Canada, you say defender Canada. Let's go. Let's go, people. All the killers so that go good. Gun on.
Two big songs and a big tune of them. Big set.
Freddie, Landside Jazz, Big Show, that's a no DJ show. Me not play. No for play Dennis Brown and Garlic Silk. And don't play, don't get no forward. Me not play none. You know tonight, Liam. You know tonight, Liam. No blues. Mighty Crown, I always tell you, if you listen to them tape, you can hear everything when them up here. Anybody can go play Mighty Crown tune. Tell them this blood clot tonight. Tell them this bigo. Let's go. We're not waiting. Let's go.
Boogie, boogie. So that the song is ever ready. Hey, Road
Clash, what is going on them there?
A sound boy is dancing in this dance. And when you get him, look the jumping first.
There's a Mighty Crown there. Black Cat gone.
In
He can't come sing it tonight. We have to turn over the one of them.
Believe you
It's
me,
working on left
if never
Canada.
stand a chance.
Road Clash.
Yeah, a sound boy head burst. It is the blessing of a curse.
Tell Panda, sir.
Sound boy head burst.
What's taking so long? Are ready?
Ready?
10 minutes on the clock. Time up. Now.
Yeah. Tata, yeah, man. This side part I dance for me, like. Everything pretty around here. So when I say, this Japanese guy come up and talk about a beer man. I go into my dressing room. Him forget to tell you, say, him sister in there. You see me I say? No, his mother never in there. His mother they run a one love room. We send them all over the place. Toronto, the trophy I stay yassa. Remember me tell you. Wanna get me? Everybody will want your big tune and big singer in the morning. Go so. Go so. Look at my tune. Everybody will rate Lexus Supreme. Start go so. Start go so. Start go so.
Someone's up playing hide and seek. Run, come, face the fear. I saw one of my text tonight. Cause you see that? That's a friend. Like
You hear a man come up here and talk about if I'm not Ghana silk and a Lee Brown when I'm going with nothing. When you're in a war, and you have your big blood clot, dirty gun sit down by you. You really are going to stay there and make a next man shot you first and you not do nothing? Eh? Everybody will rate D Brown dead and gone, we still love him 2 and a year.
Oh, well. Lexus Supreme, come again.
Listen, if you love D Brown 2 and a year.
Lexus Supreme. Do you know what it means to test the champion's son now?
Who's him?
And what it means to kill supreme. Trying to test the fire.
Look.
Lexus
Look. Panther, this gone. When we say Panther, this gone. Panther, when we say this what?
Oh, Lexus. Whoa.
Take out some. Everybody take out some. Take out some. Take out some. Take out some. Take out some.
You wanna challenge Lexus, but I'll wait.
Take out some. Take out some. Take out some.
You know Lexus food all over town.
Listen, if you're real Lexus Supreme, go sir. Go sir. Go sir. If you're real Lexus Supreme, go sir. Push me up, please.
Oh, tears, I'm gonna make you child.
Sure.
Every time Napa can done know it's all about Sanchez for the case and Lexus Supreme.
Which song I play? Which song I play? Turn it up.
There are lots of sounds in life, some that you may not like. You could be living this minute, the next minute you're gone away. Hold up your head, Lexus Supreme. Be conscious, Lexus Supreme. In my own works you shall surely be paid. I never tried this song with the handle, Lexus Supreme.
Look. Them know fully loaded. Them know when Black Cat come and them know last song standing. And which artists will always play and bust it. John. Listen.
Kill one love with that poison dub. Use the next one, kill the mighty crown. This you just lose your throne.
Premise say all of them sound for that gossip.
I've done you down. Take the trophy for me. Lexus Supreme. Kill them in the dance hall. Take the trophy for me. Oh yeah. I try to make them understand. Lexus Supreme sound it as number one.
Look. Show you how big Lexus Supreme is. Show you how man have tune, a man of class. This is the Heptones. Anybody with know music, tune.
Lord of mercy, Lexus again.
What I want to name? Sure, hear me now.
I'm in the mood to kill a song. Lexus, come let's shoot them down. Give me a breathing, for I've got the feeling. No, I'm in the mood to kill a song.
Look. Anybody when no one knows about Lexus Supreme knows that this is an artist I feel it. Luciana. Luciana, Toronto.
Somewhere I've wasted my time. Trying to play Lexus sound. Oh my love, will it take us in the back of my mind?
Lou. Everybody in here will love Mike, you guys. Go so.
Hey, oh, I lift up my hands to the Lexus, cause he made me strong.
What on him?
Lexus, you put food on my table. Yes, in my heart, you song.
Our Father God bless you with that talent so we can play reggae music. Everybody in here will love reggae music. Go so. 200 here. Ice them up. Push me up, subs. And sing along.
Hallelujah. Praise his name. Hallelujah. Lexus Supreme of the faith. Hallelujah.
Lord.
Night and day. Hallelujah.
Toronto. When the real Garnet Silk. When the real Garnet Silk. If when the real Garnet Silk, so play a Garnet. So play a Garnet.
Let's sound all the way. Whoa, whoa.
What I want to hear?
Let's just play. Oh, I can see clearly now. Let's just sing along. God knows. I can see all some boys running away. Well, all the baby sounds are fading and gone. So it's gonna be Lexus.
Pull up. Make we show you so you can bring vibes back in a dance with singing tune. Squeeze that one there. Show you some. Leg on that one there. Toronto! Toronto!
To you little song, why? Yeah.
Toronto!
Listen, I know it's late, and I know you need it. I know
Toronto!
you're yearning. Don't include we. Still here we are. Lexus Supreme gonna kill you.
Low. May I feature one more of our artists. Leroy Gibbons from Punani. Tune!
Supreme sound.
Lexus Supreme until the end of time.
Toronto!
Lexus till the end of time.
What I want to name?
This Lexus moment, yow, this Supreme sound is playing this one for you. It's not like any other. No way. When Lexus play for you, and then it happened. It took sound guys by surprise. I knew that they felt it too, yes. By the look in their eyes, Lexus in the studio, they know why. Supreme sounding.
Toronto. Let me show you some man of talent and man of class. When you play a singing tune, you have to play a singing tune like this. This is what I say, you have to know how to change the dance around. Tune subs.
You know, I'm just working the Black Emperor. Blinking up yourself. Stubbs Mark. Rastafari is the most art. I'm just greetings in the name of the mighty of the Trinity. Emperor Haile Selassie the first. Lexus Supreme.
Look.
I go.
Travis said 2 sound gone and it's not Lexus Supreme. 200 a year. 200 a year. Everybody in your way, Lexus Supreme. 200 a year.
Be careful of the dubs you play. Rock tiki-tock, Lexus Supreme I play. Rock tiki-tock till the break of day. Rock, Lexus Supreme I play. Listen.
Buckle and Presto.
Yeah. Big up Nazi Day, we'll let big up, yeah.
We have no time to waste, we're pressed for time. Next song, please come in now.
Ready. All right, Canadian Massive, time to wake up now. Why? That road was fucking boring, son. You better come stronger than that, man. Oh, God. See, more time, some son have no vibes at all in the morning. And when him come in, like, yeah, man, no worry yourself, Massive. Yeah. What kind of idiot think that? Lad. Yo, before I play this tune, be a solid. Make a loose speech, loose like his girl them. Make a loose speech and talk about Japanese, them a play music. The Italian, them a play music. And black man, too proud of black man. Bigger part of the black man inside the place. See? But on a reggae music for everybody. On a reggae music for the whole world. I heard from the great Bob Marley say, one aim, one God, one destiny. All who want to hear that tune now.
Mighty ground, the fire is through you.
You know when the blood clot driving up? You know when them a try do in a them dance, yeah? Work class this name, you know. No matter Japanese, or Chinese, or Italian, we love reggae music. Me a kill that pussy one.
Divide and rule is their only plan, their only plan. But I am a fool.
All hungry.
Mighty God, King, in this land.
Pull up. Sit. All who believe in love, let me see the one finger in the bumbo clot here right now. Let's go.
Oh Lord, oh Lord, mighty ground, oh gee, oh sanity, Lord. Love is the only solution. Can stop a revolution.
Next tune! Next tune!
This one coming in red hot.
Kill me, kill them, bumbo clot.
Bust up, we are bust up as someone. Mighty come set on Catholic Street.
Lord. The whole night they might try to make it like a rat race to rascal. All who don't care whether Japanese or blood clot Italian or black man that play music. Say yes! Say yes, Japanese! Lego!
Anti-dead, Lord. You come from New York, or you come from Kingston, or you come from Canada, you come from London. And the mighty drum.
Ready up! Buckler, I'm full of tune. Yo, I'm killing these motherfuckers. Me, I've gone for the third round, I know we know. All believe the mighty drums are a wicked sound killer. Say, yeah, man. Lego!
Sound killer, sound killer. Sing, kill them already, we go and kill them again. Murder them already, we go and murder them again. Dust them already, we go and dust them again, mighty grown-ups.
Don't take me for an idiot.
Chase them away now. Dust them out now.
Me, I lost them.
Out of the law now. If you come across the magic round sound, then surely.
Yeah, say me never did I warn you. Now the mighty crowd kill you. The picture keep going feet you. Son boy, I just love how the mighty crowd sound keep playing.
Legal! When I say mighty, you say crowd. Mighty, mighty, me God again.
Na 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 na, and the big thing called mighty crown. Oh gosh. Na 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 na. All right, there's something.
Yeah, tell them pussy this.
It's not pretty, no. So that's not easy.
Next tune.
Hey, the ninja, coach it.
Tonight I'm gonna give you the worst nightmare pussy one.
Have mercy, why? Oh, hey.
You think you're happy there?
But the saddest day in a soul's life, a mighty ground killer jump.
When I say mighty, you say trophy. Mighty, mighty. You guys can go home.
Oh, wow. Whoa.
Hey, Canada!
Sweet. Come from Japan to far, far land. Kill some sound in New York. Kill up a sound in England.
All who say mighty crown done the dance, I say you win it. Suck on them, mama bumbo clap, yes, I some black cat. Me I tell them, me lost them. I gotta get, alright, me win the dance already, but me still I go give them some blood clot copper shots. Let go!
Murder in the dance, murder in the dance tonight. Mighty crowd will win. In a terrible form, we're gonna murder you. In a mystic form, we come to kill you too. Mighty crown will murder your son. Boy, we're gonna turn you in a clown. Be careful.
What should I do? You think me still have to give them to blood clot? Or
At the
not
teeth
here?
in the night. Kill them, kill them, kill them.
Blood clot. Panther. Boy. All who's the mighty crown go and wicked for the whole fucking night. Say yes, I am. Bumbuckler been gone again. Panther. Basically say, I'm gonna kill you with them fucking simple tune them.
This is a sound clash.
Listen! Listen carefully!
Tonight, mighty crown a flatten the tanker. Place Odyssey, you must get turned over. All them attack, all them attack, take it from me, you can never kill the Jap, no. Mighty crown, the Japanese warrior. And if you love the crown, flash up on no lighter. All them a play, all them a chat, take it as we tell you, say you never kill the Jap. Mighty crown, I go kill them up.
Blast them! That's done! All who say Mighty can play the biggest show, say yes, Mighty. Boy, we never lead the dance so wicked before in my life. Canada me rate on no never bias. Me respect that, bumbuckler. You know why you all why you're big true for the money, say yes. This is Bob Andy. Oh my bad, Bob Andy along with Marcia Griffith under them nasty right?
I knew one day we'd meet for a clash. Sound boy, I always look forward to that.
Canada!
I knew one day we'd meet for a clash. Sound boy, I always look forward to that. Ooh, look at it now, Magic Crown's got you in the ring.
Take this tonight!
He's
gonna win this tonight!
And show you who's his king. It's alright with me to kill a sound boy.
Drop that!
Lord mercy. Pull it up now. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Canada!
Put up something, pull it up now.
Pull it up, back it up now.
Pull it up.
Everybody go so!
Mr. Tico, baby, jack it up. Because my come so nice, you got to play it right.
Last shot. Yo, I'll say Mighty Crown win the dance. Nobody has to say Mighty Crown. Mighty Crown. Let go that shoot.
Yes, Mighty Crown, yes. In the beginning was the word.
I'll say them there 2 on here.
Voice check 1.
All right.
That was the Mighty Crown.
Rules are rules.
Rules are rules. And we're moving along. So right now, welcome on stage, Dave Sadison.
When they are when I left. But you don't see no squidgy there, guess what I do? How about poorly come in? Everything based on this, and the squidgy, you know, and everybody worrying about me. When some of them desert star come waste it through them. The next one, when them from Canada, Lexus up here waste it through them. You know some new people that represent Canada, I should fight to you. All who see I show me attack, 2 of them blood clot here, top it.
We don't know how we and them are gonna work it out. We don't know.
Someone will have to pay.
Now if you hear a sound while bawling, bass or the singing is killing, and all the
I don't know real music, but you know you. Marshall Griffiths. When the Jamaican people in Toronto, New York, no matter where you come from, you can't get for them.
Killing a sound is so easy to do.
Oh my God!
That's what they saw this.
Hold on. I don't know real authentic music, but just one of the blood clot here, so. To one right here. One of the blood clot here. One right here.
checking the vibes for the people of them to myself. You should never have to be the way I see this dance.
There's that stuff coming up and waste the blood clot through them. I don't say waste the tunes, so waste. We're not wasting our blood clot. Watch out. Watch out. Turn up. We're not wasting none.
I'm talking in the car right now, it's all about the wickedest combination. And this time some people are
Sanchez! Sanchez and Cocotte! Magic Corner, Black Cat, there's our star!
Here I am.
No!
Playing with some jumping sounds again.
What are you?
It's just when they thought they could get through.
Toronto, we're on the bad part, what are you?
So they secure them out
like a switch
on my own.
What?
I try to make the best of it alone. After everything that I said and done.
Listen, Magic Rock. Listen, Black Cats. Listen, Desert Stop. I don't say Batman and them for them together. Put it one here. I don't say them and Batman for them. Turn on some lighter. Put the gun on here. Put on the gun on here. Everybody have a lighter. Take out the lighter and light it. If you have a phone, take out the phone and light up the lighter. But put on some Batman.
So there's this girl them all them cause they just can't.
We say all those Batman for them with them sword. 200 black crash here like so. 200 here. You know no Batman there from them. Put the 200 here. On the Magic Corner, Black Cat.
Hey, Mr. Adams, say nothing them and cut. Don't think that's a mistake.
From the pussy one them come here. I am talking about a man who was some pussy. I don't remember the ganja man them. Every ganja man on this blood clot, put on here. Every blood clot ganja man, put up a light on the ganja man them. Ganja man, you ready? Yeah! Toronto!
If I get it down to word from the corner, keep it calm, get it small.
Ganja man!
He's a bird on the highway. Is it highest grade? Get into my head.
No!
There's a place I sit on the corner. So keep it calm, get it small.
Everybody put the 200 here with us. Put the 200 here with us. We have the 200 like so. Turn it up, turn it up. Hold on. Me bet Sammy and Simon life. When them come back in after this, them have to play some hip hop. I don't agree with them have to play them hip hop. Put 200 blood clot. Them have to play them hip hop tonight. Watch ya. Me tell you now. Match up, lost, stand up, sir. Listen, listen, listen. Everybody in Toronto. What up? You got part of the Caribbean friend of yours. New York, come up to yo.
Come and we clean up all the covers and the verse. Can't get the black face to them out the girl.
Hey, as I said before,
If somebody else that come up here, someone play a BSNC tune right now with dance boss. Because BSNC is naturally bad to blood clot. All you know say, hey, you know say BSNC bad, say bad. All you know say this is a real war song, put a gun on the blood clot here, war tune. War tune. The pussy was son of where we are sitting here. Listen man, play a tune. Toronto, you know this?
Bayside is the way to Kensington sound. Oh Lord. Oh.
I guess what again, man? You know this is the sound of comedy and this one stuff. All in the pan. Nah, pay no Garrison. True them not done enough. And that's why my fight is blood clot man, Garrison. All knows a Garrison a wicked and rated singer. Put up to one eye, I already lead this singer. And one know what's it? To one eye. That's Leroy Smart. Alongside the original Garrison. What's a Garrison again and the more pussy one? Check out Garrison.
Rastafari, continually.
Toronto, listen to that.
Read the smart. That's it.
Easy Garrison. I don't come from country, put the country on the
Respect. Yes,
country people. Put your hand here.
Oh gosh.
Garrison.
I'll be so dashy this.
Let me tell them.
Every song will Chris.
Yo.
Oh me. Oh my. I'll give you the sun down so die.
Oh me.
Oh my. I'm.
Them free of the Garrison. Come on, Garrison. All the way one more Garrison. 200 blood clots here. Garrison got them nostrils. Garrison got
His
them
foundation is in the red mountains. This is the time more than all the glories of Jacob. Glorious kings are spoken of.
Some of them saw them up in a strip club. They're not up in a strip club, pussy.
Christian
Trying to take like talents. But soon as the bathroom, the sucker them over. All of them. All bad man who red glasses. Hold on. Turn that some lighter. Manchester Bowl. Central, the Kingston for them. Westmoreland. Toronto.
Oh Lord.
Tell us
Talking about them.
Yo.
Let them talk and talking.
Yo, Toronto.
And I see, keep them talking, laughing and talking. Yeah. We've got to have more talking and talking. Oh,
What are they? Some artists, when they no member, they're not play them. They have to play something different. You know, say how we name BSS. When we come to dance, we play some tunes where some people surprise on the screwdriver. Jack away.
Into the dancer.
Jack away, screwdriver.
Yes, I see crew stand at 12 sound instead of them.
Remember, screwdriver.
On the road and instead of things. But since you hear the two sound boy argue on it, and I'm saying any sound wants to be first.
It's not afraid of nobody. Fight me out here. Fight me out
See
here.
them a come there with now.
Fight me out
And
here.
them a ganja murderer. Face of this year, some killer. Hey boy. And them a come in and they want it and thousand. Walk up kill out. Face of this year, Lord. Them a come in and they want it and thousand.
Stop! What do you think of that yet? We now stop paying that to blood clot because after the run I done, I gotta drop some bumbo clot from full. Pay on the youth. Pay on the
Well, I don't know Margaret Heritage always alongside the big mighty bass. Obviously, yo.
See me says it, I see again, Margaret Heritage.
Shit, you don't know.
And you're squinting in the other same tune and I'm playing. So give me the forward of this one, you know why?
that is easy killing sound.
Sure!
Causing soundboys so much pain.
Oh God!
If you test out the sea, that's wrong.
You know!
They're telling you that's wrong.
Good music for the people there.
Tell you that you surely pay.
Hey!
Oh yeah.
Stop! Stop the blood clot. That play one more. All those ideas say a bad sound. This is what's the 200 blood clot here. Everybody put on the 200 some lighter here. Play that tune. 200 lighter.
Sarah Morgan.
Voice check one. That was Bass Odyssey.
No time to waste. Next song, Black Cat.
Black Cat.
Line up quick. No time to waste.
I rush my chill. I rush me a blood clot. We're not going away. We don't like turn on and turn off. Massive. Worm.
You gone now, so me have to what? All the way from Jamaica can't go and so a blood clot. Me have to save Jamaica now. You don't know nobody now singing tune like Black Cat. One song play with them sitting there and a jar. No pussy in my business. I'm feeling around this. I don't know say you make my crowd around that clash done. I would have walked home and have blood clots. We're not leaving! Oh, we're playing Ghana City and come out this year. No so supreme board to play. My God, you can't play this blood clot.
Who is your Black Cat crew?
Turn it up!
You like Milo.
Turn it up, play one!
I said this is the crew, Solomon crew. Big up.
Turn it up!
The tune is not special. Sample! See, Ghana City should have a thing back chat. Rule them Black Cat! Rule them all the way! Oh, yeah! Long ago have I told you the class would be so easy. And get some to play.
Wave your hands up! Answer me, man, wave your hands up! Wave your hands up!
There was no one else.
All right, Black Cat, sing that! Sing that, Black people!
You wanna play by yourself, but rule it.
Yeah, I'm all like this.
Ay, 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 ay. Not anything more, yeah. Oh, yes, sir.
See, said I fell in a love with Black Cat sound.
Different blood clot show. Pussy! You see some last them? But the last them blood clot.
Now hear this, because when Black Cat comes trouble, and then there are some who try to play this one, so we go down in Vatican. Step cross such party and do it. Hold on!
I don't get pussy from the man, where you get fuck pussy.
Tell me why Black Cat shouldn't be my son for life.
Fuck lad! Different! Better go to something. Yep.
Black Cat is some damn band for me. He plays some damn play for me. Cat is a sound boy for me. Cat plays some damn play for me. When the storms of life surround me, and some jump and try to break me. Cat is a sound boy for me.
I'm rolling up a blunt, set my mind at ease. Sitting on somebody with some energy. And I'm rolling with the punch on the girl in me. Black Cat, you rolling. And you can be.
What's the phone now? Pussy! Me I know the man of flap for a night. Me don't get no move for a night. Me don't play with no shoot for a night. Them two of them are rascal. Them is not rascal, it's rascal. When we are coming from the airport, one of them have a piece out. I said, me the pork chops. Now one of them have blood clot Burger King. So what do them rascal do?
Brothers, hey, cat a bonfire upon a day that pull and don't do it feathers. And I look like you.
Oh, blood clot, kill that panther. By the ground. Clash not done yet. It's very sick, we're not giving in this round of home, blood clot. The people want to see me back on them and they want better tune. We're not talking 50 Cent. Reggae music. Level of blood clot. Of a blood in Canada. Listen to me now. Listen to my rhythm, my tune. We're going to play that tune. We put that tune in different water. Brother, take it off. Take it off soon. Let's start that. We're sure to play. Don't take time with it. And the new mixer. Don't say that word. You know this shit? We don't get no boy. Some people are me the Godfather. Keeping the blood clot and the kids self quiet. Run that!
Everybody say me I should say young say. Yeah man, blaze the top man environmentalist, you say. I tell you like you know. People from all around man, go to the same time of my town man.
When you got that people
Ancestors sit man,
let's
go
go!
When you smoke your dirty coke, and it turn you in a go. Do you see black that you dead?
Then, go upon him, my woman. Go upon him, my girl. I'm gonna kill every fuck. I'm gonna kill her profile. Suck on your mother. Don't let your cousin and sister then. Hold on up it. And I lie. Oh, look at her profile. Chin. Every day I'm giving you a trophy. Every day I'm giving you a trophy. You have to give me one trophy in best of blood clot performance. Run that!
Yeah.
Yes, and it's a counteraction. Where my fuck switch?
You can see everything with myself is kill them, black cat, kill them now. I beg you, kill them, black cat, kill them now, yeah. Run come front and run come pick up and down. How are you?
What's the photo? What's the pose here? Pose on the camera, Panther. Missile. It's a switch in a cup.
I don't care for you some more.
I'm gonna let you know. Black cat got to let you know. You know, oh, thinking about the younger years. It was only my gun and me. Listen to Black Cat singing in that party. And now nothing can take that away from me. I've heard so many sounds before.
Hey, Panther, we don't run at 200 years.
Black Cat keep me coming back for more. Cause Black Cat the people them want when they play.
Yes, somebody agree, yeah. Trying to take what is for we, yeah. What is your philosophy? Hey, I know that we want more than that. And who them a left on gun fight?
Don't be no more. Members. One. Members. Begging all of them. About 90. More out of one show station. I'm a boss, but 2 years. Play them on, buddy. No, number. The second one, Michael Richie. Play the second one. Me not go good. I was a doctor go good. 200 years. Shin. Me tell you I'm a war specialist. The people in Jamaica worry. Hurricane Gage enough for them. Me have to brighten up their future. Me now left the blood clot trophy. Run that!
You some boy want conquer. Remember when I call you the sponsor? Give us a blood, you know.
Right up! Wake up!
I'm just a kid soldier. Get up, soldier. Get up. Let's go. Hey. These sounds remind me of quicksand now. When they play they keep going down. And there's no one to hold on to, and there's no one to pull you out. Sound they keep on falling, and no one can hear you calling. So you end up self-destructing. Panther with the lasso on the front line. Black Cat kill them so for anytime.
When I say war, you say conquer. War! Shit.
Yeah. Yeah.
what a pity.
Whoa!
World class looks sticky.
Whoa!
Luciano there, so Saturday, August 20th, Luciano the messenger.
Whoa!
Things look sticky. Put that down as well on July 15th, that's a Friday night. Big up, Rob. Lord of mercy.
It's time to judge the third round.
2 sound gone this round, Jim.
What is it? Judge who's gonna vote for us?
We're gonna work with the people then.
They will work with it. Them the time is against us. Person who is dealing with the light situation, please sign the light in the audience, please.
Engineer, give us some light fast. I don't know who else be in the mic up here. Give us some light fast because we are one.
Yeah.
Video man, shine the light in that.
All right, real quick.
Real quick, we have to make some alternative measures.
Should Desert Storm go in this round? Hands in the air, if so. Put them down. Should Lexus Supreme jump out in this round? Hands in the air. Put them down. Should the Mighty Crown go in this round? Should the Bass Leslie go in this round? Should the Black Cat go in this round? This is the Lexus Supreme.
So it's set up.
So,
Toronto, who
right.
just win this round? We're going to call them out now.
Did Desert Storm take the third round? Did Lexus Supreme take the third round?
Them gone, Shin. Lexus Supreme gone. So
No, sorry. Did Mighty Crown take the third round?
Hands down, thank you.
Did Bass Leslie take the third round? Oh, they gone too.
Yes, Leslie gone.
Did Black Cat take the third round?
Bumbo Clark. Oh, what a pity. Things look sticky down like Cool City.
This is a clash.
Yo.
This is a clash.
Boy. Hey, yo, hello. I'm going to have to change my glasses. I'm going to have to change my spectacle.
Big up Canada, I'm full of vibes. Thanks for making us all work last year. It's all about www.irishandshrimp.com. Next song, please line up. You ready?
Whoa. Time. How much time?
5 minute round. 5 minutes. 5 minute round. Let's go. Hold on. Black Cat won the round.
So I know it?
Yeah, I know.
Panther, Black Cat, the War Tanker win the round. So we have to continue.
Hold on, we are pressed for time, so we have to cut down the rounds a little bit.
We're going to confer for 2 seconds and get back. Okay.
The next round
5 minutes each.
will be, let me say a 6 minute round.
6? Alright.
6 minute round.
Work with it and with a shirt with it. First up is who?
Desert Storm.
Desert Storm, get cracking. 6 minutes on the clock, King Sharp.
Love the Toronto. I love it. So the last God know the love everybody out there, so. Scarborough, Regent Park, Rexdale, Galloway, what is the G&R Finch, Rootsman, Black Reaction, Super Fresh, Duo Sound and King Turbo, big up, Guns N' Roses, I asked them to take the blood clot run. Freedom Man, I asked them to take the bomber clot run. Shine Light Man Panther, I asked them to take the blood clot run. You see, Panther, first time you come here, you used to give my girl, but me not give no more. You want to know why I didn't give my blood clot girl no more? Listen, turn your beat.
Desert Storm, what we really hear about? The boy Panther left out a place in the National Airport and called one of his kettle girl on the phone and hear, we're sorry, the pussy you've been sucking is now on service.
Hold on. I hear somebody get blood clot bad. Pass no one, I don't know. Give me some room, lock them down. Some room there. I hear some. I hear somebody get blood clot bad in the morning here. All of the Toronto with gun on. Go on.
This is none other than the mighty Desert Storm.
Go on.
Not a thing I want. It's like a Joseph.
All of the Desert Storm, get back. Go on. All of the Jamaica, go on. Go on. Panta, play this. Panta, you can't play the bumper class. World clash. Yo, and the crack on it. Hey. There's a song on it. Tell them song, man. Hey. World clash. Go on. We'll go on them there. Party is wet. Party. Pull up a bomber class. You see that the man in now? Don't kill again. Turn it up. Turn it up. We have come. Master brother, when I go down in the arena, there's a star get me now. Get the green coffee come. We are the rock.
I'm who you can watch it after that sound dead.
Tell Mexico. Black Cat.
Who needs that sound now? Who do not poke now? Boy. I'm who you can watch it after that sound dead.
Black Cat, you know my man here.
Who needs that sound now? Who do not poke now? Boy.
Stay down.
Who do not change now? Send them the sound. I put it down, I put it. I cut up. No one but the
Rock clash. Let me get real. Hey. Hey. See that side of the morning? Me tell me so Toronto, listen good. My story now went to a blood clot trophy. Panther both with my history, man. What me till the blood clot get to you? I get murder them also bomber club bad again. Turn ya.
King Sharp, Bluesy, Mikey Venus.
They're killing ya from Toronto, Canada. They're killing ya.
Them boy like a book and keep them like a crook. But that's good boy. I tell me that it's all about all gun, blood, and get a man to the fight, to the print, but murder, upon the ball, that murder, one for the killing, and the talent for the peace.
Let me keep that inside there, fuck Mikey Crown.
Pull out the gloves up on the general and
you know what?
them gonna find fingerprint on the third time them murder.
All of the Black Cat dead.
We shot to anything that you want him to. We're not gonna do no wrong, but I think it a jump on. Where you may tell you that we'll give a damn. We shot on him.
Toronto! What are you going to say? Black Cat! Black Cat!
Down in Desert Storm Town. So yes, I'm off the Desert Storm. But Desert Storm on the dark out of town. Now eat that sound, gonna test this song.
Hold up. Mikey Crown and Black Cat and the man are gonna lose. Mikey Crown come in and play with a BT run right now. And Black Cat come in and play one back and playback tune. And then laugh. And then see me walk like Magic Hoodya. See me now? Like Magic Hoodya. Bust the wall, but suck your man, mama. Let's go.
And Sherlock present Canada, Toronto. This is Mr. Baby
We have
Chef.
the
We
Black
know like a bomb on his head.
Toronto. We have Black Cat. Mikey Crown.
Hey, the entourage. Ross. Son by desert come from murder you.
Ask them must hear up 1/3 of you.
Oh, you want to kill on the man, we never heard of you.
No!
I will son and which come the first time.
All of the Mikey Crown bless the dead. All of the Black Cat bless the dead. Tell them this. Turn it up. Turn it up. Toronto.
Yo, I know. Well, we don't care not a rat where you come from. I could have buried hard and that. You should have known that there's a strong one back there, man. The same thing, I fight with the lesbian. Well, we don't care not a rat where you come from.
All of them there, start jump. All of them there, jump.
Jump. Can save you from pagan. Well, in that is how I'm mad pagan. The people them are bad.
Bomber clad there. Eh? When they are kill son, we keep them intelligent. Mighty told up too much trophy. Them rob me around. Me da phone a blood clot around. Me da feel them BT around. One of the more can watch BT. Give me the show, quick, fast.
Time. Yes, massive. That was Desert Storm. Up next.
From the Far East, Mighty Crown 16.
6 minutes on the clock, please. Thank you. 6, one more. Thank you. Mighty Crown.
Well, good morning. You know, Panther doing a little thing. Yeah, man. All right. Everybody afraid of this road, you know that. But after this road, everything fucking dead. Me I tell you that, bomber clot. Me I tell you that. Panther a while ago played the fake Akon. Me I play the original Akon. Lego that tune. Hear that tune. What is that going? All right. You know what? CD now work with me, right? Play that tune. We are gonna play everything. Wait till the Akon later. Hear that Mario tune. Listen good. Yeah, man, I'm watching your ladies, yeah? I want to give you a pure cocky tonight.
So boy, you just don't get it. When will you understand?
Look.
How you keep crying.
All right. Me I go play. Hold on. All right. One tune pop now. Now watch that. Hear that Akon, you know. The Akon, they my friend for. Hear that tune.
Listen, man. All the sound boys will fall down. Listen to me, man. Only one man
Listen
can wear a crown
carefully.
right now. That's Mighty Crown of Far East Rulers.
They my friend for this hip hop road.
Let's go.
Yeah. Hear me good.
Cause it's convict music.
Listen to part. The Akon along with Sister Kalanji.
Killing sound boys is the motive. That's what Mighty Crown will do. This clashing ain't getting no better. No matter how far they go, your sound is flying. With no risk.
Wicked part, don't come yet. Nobody play them tune in our world, you know.
Cause if they try and stop me, they will get
shot up.
No way out.
When the real Batman for Randale and them place it. James and Finch.
No way out, they'll get shot.
Listen carefully.
Oh, with no
all the receipts of Kalanji go down here and let me see them.
I might take on twisted up, bleed you fingers. This might become
Bomber clot. Yo, let me tell you this blood clot. See it? Yo, all who pay your money come in 2 and 9 blood clot here. All the bomber clot buyers that want to hear some big blood clot tune in the morning. Are we in the Mighty Crown, you know? Are we represent the fucking world? I know we represent Jamaica, Canada, Japan, England, all over. A world ambassador is the blood clot. Big show in the morning, no bias thing. Joe!
Hey, what's up? This is 50 Cent.
Yo, lively
Yeah,
up!
Mighty Crown. It's
With
going
the bomber
down.
clot!
You, Nick. Yeah, many sound. We step upon ground. Let's around how you get down. Down found the best around. Niggas trying to take my life.
Wow!
I put a hole in a nigga for fucking with me.
Wow, put up, Black Cat!
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to Genesis.
The fuck?
Good job. Mighty.
Listen!
We don't give a fuck. Mighty Crown in this motherfucker. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yo! Who can play them tune in the world? Eh? Now cut tune for the people. People's champion is the blood clot. Me know in the begging thing like Panther. Wow! Bombo clot.
Some blessed stuff, you know. Mighty Crown, I Selassie is the Almighty. Yeah, big up myself for that.
Yo, it's about time you free me up, you know.
Simon, I done you.
All of me Jamaican, Trinidadian, Antiguan, Canadian, Toronto, Montreal.
Mighty
about
Crown,
time.
Jamaica got to free me. Fucking well when they see me. Wow. Mighty Crown, Jamaica got to free me. Fucking well when they see me.
Put up, put up, put up, put up. Boom,
Right
boom,
now,
clap.
people look at it. We gun them up.
The fuck?
Simon Ninja.
All right.
Fire shoulder.
and we burn them up.
And we burn them out.
We burn them up.
We
We
not
burn them
stop
up.
fight.
We burn them
And
up.
we
We
the
burn
mighty
them
crown,
up.
the blood clot.
Confusing. Yeah. I can see that when you give the sound boy losing. My dream and children and flowers will be blooming.
Let me tell you this to them. Mighty Crown is the only soul who play everything. R&B, hip-hop, reggae, dancehall, everything. Let me play some blood class soca. Mighty Crown are well versatile, so last century now.
Very foolish.
The fuck? What you feel like?
Some boys
What you feel like? What you feel like?
From you what we play, kick you in your face. How dare you mess around with the mighty crown? We kill them some boys dead, chop up all them heads. Some boy tonight you will dead. Yeah, dead.
Wheel that! Next soul.
Whoa. 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 This is a clash. With no further delay, Fabo.
Yeah. Bring in the war tanker,
Bring in the war tanker.
Panther.
It's a get sticky.
Crazy. You guys playing fucking lazy. Mario, what tell this man? What if you know if you war? You think war one day sitting? You see how long blood clot bush the area can come out? Though you walk out win 2 rounds and go home. Suck your mother. Trophy going to Jamaica. What you say? It's a going on? Put him a thing, my youth. Bless them.
Eternal Father, bless the land.
Say the trophy gone.
Guide
The
us
trophy gone.
with thy
Panther gone 5.
mighty hand.
Keep us free. All of the black cat with the class 2 out of the year.
Through all night.
Me a defend Jamaica. Me no busy with blood clot. Canada, me a defend it too. Cause Sharp can't manage it.
Great defenders, grant true wisdom from us.
Christiana, Manchester, Trelawney, Clarendon.
Justice, truth.
Salute, Panther.
Ours forever.
Run that blood clot,
That international song, Rashad come step up, Archangel.
On to the graveyard. Some sounds which was down.
Put up your hand.
Black cat, come again. Don't tell your friends. On to the graveyard they go. Black cat kill them right.
Hey! Who win the most trophy?
Who killed the most sound? No Panther, until whole New York down. No Panther, who get the top team crown? No Panther, Panther, everything a Panther. Well, who win the most clash? No Panther, send some boy go and go crash. No Panther,
If Panther win the class, jump up! Jump up!
Panther, everything a Panther. Well, so what? People hear me boss gun in a miss. Gun in a miss. Don't know.
What? Roast at the earth. I read about now love the girl I'm gonna put in
your bus!
I saw what they were thinking. That's why I can't say I went on the man on it.
In your bus!
We're different. Happy for the girl, straight. All of the tongues where know them a girl is men missing and the gun. Yo, some boy said them a girl is a smoke up your chalice. Never
Shining like that crow.
girl from them born. But there's just one thing. Black cat
Canada. All who rate Panther, gun on. Say the gun on, so. Say them, so. Same thing now. Push it up.
Black cat. Rude boy, push up your gun finger, no, cause I know one thing, I know. Funny man, you that go bust up like a pumpkin, I know.
Trophy a go yard.
With water in my blood clot here. Yeah, trophy I go. Me now this place of this. Sprint in there, and then couldn't back it up. A tag team on worm, you drop out. Me now let them Jamaica blood clot. Slim thing. Sharp. Use one. You say me now no girl. After you up here suck out the girl pussy, but play a song. What's your name? Don't me now no girl. When you suck her, me a fuck her. And she say Panther. She say Panther. Run it. Come here. Go sir. Go sir.
It was love at first sight when I saw her that night, and I knew from that moment.
What a black thing! I knocked you down.
Goosebumps came all over me when I looked in.
I don't know if you look, come on, wave your hand.
She was so happy and free. Kept had to walk over and say, I need your name and number where you reside. I need your mama.
It's fun time, the table will be turning.
Brand new, you want brand new Capleton 200 a year.
Down, change, we gon' do something about it. All rearrange, we gon' do something about it. Down.
When I say trophy, you say yard. Trophy. Suck on the mama, broad. Crazy. No more. Are you tap me? Don't play no more. You put out your hand. For me say signal me a tap and stop like me I do.
Voice check one. That was a war tanker Panther from Black Cat. Whoa! I think I could have gone home early, but plans altered.
Oh, now enjoy yourself.
All who say the sound them are go on good say, go on! Yeah man, I saw it set up. Jamaica Day, Saturday, July 23rd on a Kingsdale Park.
All who enjoy themselves, let me see the hand in the air. Put them down, make me a other talk now. All who say World Clash nice, I don't want to see it at Canada again next year, put the hand in the air.
My God, World Clash is mashing up the place.
Big up Blood Posse in the audience, as soon as on a cuss World Clash all week last week. All who know say World Clash a good thing, give me one more hand and tell Blood Posse fuck off.
Fully Loaded coming up next, Saturday, October 15th, 22nd and 29th.
By the way, Father Blunt, stay tuned to the X News. I get my revenge. Big up. All right, are you ready again?
So we have to find out who win the round and who gone.
Who win the round here? All who say Mighty Crown win the round, show of hands. All who say Desert Storm take the round, show of hands. All who say Black Cat take the round, show of hands.
All right, Chin. So we don't need glasses to see that the war tanker win the round here.
This is sticky.
Sound gone.
World Clash.
People dead.
Let me tell you how this is going now. It's a best of 5 competition. And we have 2 songs with the same score. So automatically, those 2 songs have to go tune for tune. I saw the thing set. That's the rules.
Things look sticky.
So, let me commend Desert Storm on a spectacular performance tonight at Toronto World Clash.
Yeah man, give them a big round of applause. King Sharp might be
It's all
cultural
about
massive.
sportsmanship. Desert Storm.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
You see them youth, yeah? Them hold it up tonight and we are endorse them. So Desert Storm.
Love Toronto, and I remember me say, the only one thing I don't want to do, I let you know done. You see what I say, I'm not going to do that, I'm good. Love you now.
Yeah, man, give him a round of applause.
Put it up, put it up, put
Give him
it
a
up,
round of
put it
applause
up.
to Desert Storm.
All right, Fabo. The truth will be between Mighty Crown and Black Cat. It has to be an odd number, so it will either be 9 tunes or 11 tunes.
101 Toronto, we are work with people. My mother just called me Chin. It's a tradition. She called me every time the clash I go on. I said, Fabo, remember I forgot to church. But through my contract gets extended, I'm on overtime. That's how I work. So 101, 9 or 11 tune.
We're going to do it by a show of hands because
Show of
I can't understand the noise. All who said 9 tunes, hands up there.
Show some answer 9 tune each song.
All who say 11 tunes each song.
Okay, we don't need classes. My God, Toronto World Clash. Big up Raban Zone 1. Foot it down there.
No, this is history being made at the World Clash. Because this is the first time since we're doing the best of 5 competition that 2 songs will go tune for tune. So, are you ready? I don't want some more time. I know this is a very delicate moment in World Clash history.
Big up my Virgin Titus out of Portmore, Jamaica. The man they come like family. Them say good friend better than pocket money. Some boy make a comment, them spot the Rolex and get vexed.
Big up Substance Entertainment. Big up Neil Foster. Big up Ron Nelson. Big up all of the media outlets that are here.
CHRY 105.5, CKLN 88.1. You understand?
Big up Quiz from RETV who is here from Jamaica. So you don't know the whole world are going to get this.
Natty B and Kim, Zion Tree and Treasure Isle.
Treasure Isle, yeah.
Big up all the soundmans I see in the crowd.
More big up Super Fresh and King Turbo because them a clash with Jaro.
Black Reaction.
You understand? I don't remember the date out of my brain, me I do it. And I don't get paid for say that. So, when is Redemption? Next Friday Redemption, the writer song.
And before we go into the truth be true, it is only right that I show my respect for Toronto by calling on one of the biggest and most popular artists out of Toronto on stage, just to say hello to the item. So right about now, Cardinal Official, please bless the World Clash stage. Please.
Yeah, you don't know. All Toronto massive, you don't know. Big up in chest, you don't know. Desert Storm, your large, Lexus Supreme. Just big up to all Toronto massive and keep this shit going because we need more of this shit. You see what I'm saying? So everybody walk good, walk in peace. I'm glad to see everybody come out tonight and everybody enjoy themselves. And you know, everybody's just in peace and love. So remember, love God first. And you don't know how we're coming out in September. Walk good.
Now last but not least.
No.
When we were coming to Canada, we hear about violence, we hear about gunshot, we hear about this, we hear about that. So many people advised us not to keep World Clash in Canada because of the violence. Give yourself a round of applause before we start the truth be true. Please. We all came together as a family to get good entertainment. Yeah. Truth be true time now.
So, give us some time on the shot clock. Oh, we don't need no time.
We don't need no time.
Okay,
All this thing is going to go now. Each song will play 1 tune and we will vote. After each tune, that is the way we'll be able to find out who won the actual tune round. So each song will play 1 tune and then we'll take a vote. Please turn the lights on in the audience.
Give some light on the audience.
Because it is needed.
Chill. Me have to know something. Me can't read out people things and not talk about my things. That's fair. Okay, it's a Labor Day Sunday. Them say Stone Love. The World Martin and David Radigan and the Grammy DJ come host it, you understand? Alongside myself. Wow! You understand? Wow! Also, History Dance, October 9th, that a JD's them thing. If me no call out,
Toronto! Are you ready for tune? Alright, Mighty Crown, first tune.
Yeah. Alright. Me see you all going in. See it? Big up to the Black Cat on the street. See it? But you see the Mighty Crown when I back up from nothing. Me I fuck up the dance from the first round all the way. To the last round,
yo, me get some boo. Me admit that fucking boo. Saying straight means I'm a warrior. Me admit that fucking shit. But you see right now, I tune for tune. You know how many times people black and they tune for tune? Yeah, I'm telling you, man, it's like the wickedest blood class sound in the world. Don't run with the Japanese. Stop it. Let go. Gregory Islas! You can't be biased this road, man. Come on. Come on.
You're gonna beat it.
Gregory Islas! Yo!
Ain't little someone might crumble through a dagger in your heart.
Yo! Put up!
Shiny. Why am I blood clot though? Them party are dancing up here, man. From the hip hop road pass, you believe. What is say you have a blood clot live? Now let me look around and see you. You still there? Oh, look here on profile, man. I mean, all the Panther like business. My the crowd. You know, you have a Panther. From 88, I play sound, I'm going to left it. One youth could have talked to me like, man, you actually don't fuck with yourself on left jar on the trooper. You know the man, you're blood clotted. Run that.
Black kids sound. Yes, the mighty number one. Oh, and I the sound. Them might hear that sound boy. Hey, listen, Black Cat, you tell them say, hey, I'm a young say, hey. Tell them say, I get a sound boy.
I was a Black Cat, we go some. Yeah.
Hey, yo. Hey, selector.
Push up the line. Push it
You know. Yes, you know. Hear me now. A Black Cat sound is the general in all of
What is just then? You want me to counteract that tune right now?
Simon,
Toronto!
hold on. Everyone have to be judged. It's rules. You see it? When I claim some bias for Mighty Crown, I'm going to stop them. It's rules, right? Everybody have to be judged.
Rules are rules.
Rules is rules.
Give some light to the audience.
For the first round, all who say Black Cat, take your hands up there. Put them down.
Thank you.
All who say Mighty Crown, take your hands up there. First round belongs to Panther. Keep it moving.
Alright. Let me counteract that fucking tune then. Eh? Hold on. What the tune say? Black Cat is the general. You're not tuning it up. See? Yo, Mr. General, you're fucking funeral tonight, you know. Cat of nightlife. You don't have a night like this here. Black Cat never win a clash with Mighty Crown this year. Listen keenly. General.
You know.
Toronto, what a can't be biased no more, man.
You should know. Hear me now. Someone tonight is your funeral. Mighty Crown is gonna give you your baby.
That time of counteraction and playback show. Fuck off. Pussy. Video man. Mighty Crown, I kill you slow, kind of music. When that Jackera drop in there and try the pussy spread out. Jackure!
Black Cat, Papa Panther, Jackure says, oh. Whoa. Hey. Son boy, where you there from, man?
Look up, dead!
Yo!
Alright.
I don't think I need to ask this round. Two for Black Cat.
Yeah, Black Cat, hero.
Let me tell you this. You think me afraid of that tune there? Anybody can play them fucking tune there. Eh? You see me? No music. Me study reggae music from 90 blood class 60 to right now. See it? Me know the Toronto people are fucking idiot. Yo, Sammy, blaze that blood clot fire past
Oh, they call him Mighty Ground.
Yo,
Take it from
man,
my
I'm back home. Man, a warrior.
See?
Let's go way back. Way back.
Hey, neat.
Yo, Toronto, listen, show.
You said it. Mighty Ground is the blazing fire.
Toronto, warrior.
Man, cut their ass and give me a trophy. It's going to yard, you're gonna fucking pray. Master, I'm telling you already, I'm telling you the truth. Who don't pay no truth, Mighty Crown? One per years gonna suffer with this blood clot. One per hunger and still reach me. I'm still not left. Big money come from foreigners and Panther move on, so I'm not moving. You can't buy me out. Mighty Crown, a long time I never done a Papa Cat box. Never walk up in a Papa box. Brother!
Oh, yeah.
Walk up! Walk up! Walk up! Walk up with all the blood clot! Stages! You're there not foreign, large up!
If Black Cat took this role, please put your hands in the air. Put them down. If Mighty Ground took this role, please put your hands in the air. 3 for Black Cat.
Where I say, you fight me. I'm gonna give a peer copy to me. I'll find you later and run some peer copy tonight on the girl. She afraid she gone back all the way. Lord, I'm gonna find you. I got all the security man them locking them. I'm gonna get you. Tonight, me I got some coffee and I right side of the bed. Why? All them are one all over you. Alright, Panther, yeah man. It's not the tune them really killing me, you know, it's the speech them. Panther them make a mouth. Cause me and pussy too much, that's why I'm have the mouth. Let go that show!
You know, welcome down Barrister man. Come sing out for big bad song. Mighty Crown, get us out.
Music Panther, run on me more!
Mighty Crown was meant to be, so why not let it be? And don't worry about it now, as long as we got the place.
Yo, Panther, why you stop this show? I kind of fuck.
Hold on,
Give me mine!
Panther.
That should be already. Justice is justice. It play already. Based on this plate, you look like you're deaf. A war, we're a war. You have to rough up people sometime. Blood clot, and man to get taupe, you get taupe. A war, we're a war. Run that. War.
Come on, well, rinsing up the end. No need to ball, no need to bend.
Four for Panther.
Hold on, my turn? Alright. Yo, let me tell you. See it? Who really played a big tune? Let me prove that right now. Eh? That tune a regular, man. Come on, man. This is world class Canada. Tune for blood clot tune. Yo, the people are biased. Yo, we can't be biased with this fucking tune. A big tune for your money. Let go.
Fiery shoulder.
It's no vibration. Big tune. Tune for tune. All of this all about you. Squad out here, gossip. Gossip. Yo! Big blood clot, yo! Pull up!
Sammy,
say, Simon, if you know me, know what I'm hurt, punch your love. Blood clot, man, I've so all the time sing when I'm on the robot, man. I want you to sing them. Post it up for real, legend. For 88 men boxes, enough sound there left Panther, Inner City, Gemini, Silver. And the only old man turn up, Sky Juice and Hour, so I'm not calling him. Post it. I'm telling you already. If you want to beat that up for me, I have to go for Java. Go in your Papa box. Where am I go? Where is road? Hey, what's up it? Look at I lose some luck here, bring it up. Come on, sir. Come on, sir.
Will you like to attack me, some boy?
By a show of hands, did Black Cat take that round? Put it down. By a show of hands, did Mighty Crown take that round? The score is now 5 for Black Cat.
Yo! But now don't let us right this up. Shit! Yo! Black Cat! One of the things that one of them can play Dennis Brown to rat it, and we need a mighty bomb of Black Crown in them. Big Jarrow and a tune for tune too. See it? See it? Oh, yo, Sammy, we're not a long time. Bust the blood clot Dennis Brown. Yo! Mighty Crown Dennis Brown! Yo! Yo! Dennis Brown, bro! Yo, listen!
Too much you can sound.
Stop! What up?
Chin, this is the last one, you know that. Carry the trophy near, man. I want it near to make off trophy fever. Then Mighty Crown, it's in the show of your career to the world now. I'm killing on this now. When I think it's work, I just keep chill. You're rich, I'm telling you nothing but that thing wrong thing. Posting, you know, Antigua, when there's some people who really catch on for the thing yet, and play some price tune down there and then jump up. I tell you, roll in a big blood clot city. This is a gangster town. Don't fuck around.
Pussy! I kiss you for prayer!
Oh, so here we go. Yeah. Somebody you dead now. Yeah.
I don't say Black Cat when it's a story of you.
Hold on. No sound test for Black Cat. No sound test.
Sin! Here is what we come. It's not about what you know.
Wow!
It's not your such.
Wow!
Chin down right here.
Wow!
My God.
You look how many in Panther walk too. Relax. Chin.
Boy.
Big up all who supported the World Clash. Before we make the final decision, which we know what it is, welcome on stage, Mighty Crown. All who say Mighty Crown gone good tonight, give them a round of applause.
Yeah, man.
Mighty Crown.
Where I say this? Final tune? That's done. Okay. Respect Canada people. You know, say, we have to come back round here and kick up Panther. Because Panther seem like him just wake up still. Well done now, right, God? I saw the thing set up. Big up World Clash Massive. Respect Seed. Big up all of my Japanese friends, them. Yeah. And big up all of the Antiguans, Trinidadians, Guyanese Massive. I hear me, man. All of the Canadians, big up the agency. Love or not, I shall be back and kick up some more boys.
Yeah, man. Mighty Crown. Give a round of applause. Yeah, man. Good sportsmanship.
It's all about sportsmanship, as you notice. I bring everybody on stage to make them know that it's all about a fun thing. We are in that sportsmanship in our world clash. Right about now, when title has changed from 4 to 5-time world champion. Right about now, welcome on stage the history maker, the 5-time world champion.
Pink Panther, Black Cat. Boy, Papa must feel proud of your mom, Papa. Big up yourself when you're the original Jamaican boys. Them done from about 94, 95. Congratulations, sir. Congrats in order.
We're part of them.
Big up the talk, yeah. Hold on a second. Why do you even know once again have to remind you about the Labor Day event with the World Martyr Stone Love and David Ranigan and the Grammy artists? Do you think, Panther?
Well, it's not out there. If you used to play Black Cat and then fly out, and then turn down you and say, only for replacement killer. Come for dinner, again. And if you see that, it's even worse. Mighty Crown, I love the dance, I can show up your career. And make you know, say, if you love certain things, that reggae way I promote. Straight. I love you, Canada. Respect Manchester, Chris, and the whole of people. I love you, whole of Toronto.